Yeah, man. Coming in, baby. Coming in right now. Send out the alerts, folks. Yeah, man. What's up? How you guys doing tonight? Guys, if you guys aren't hip to the chess streams on Facebook, I've been doing for creeping up on 4 years now. What we're doing right now, guys, is we're going to run and see if... Ooh, Rod Dragon's dead. I bet Trey helped. We're going to run and check and see if the festival is on, guys, because I need to get Radon, because they'll drop me like a staff, guys, but I can't make them drop me two. You know what I'm saying? This is prep, guys. Kevin Cook, what's up? Can you believe it, Kevin? Last night, guys, we were at 799 subs, and I'm like, if you're watching, you could be sub number 800. The freaking alerts weren't working, and it's not my fault. I've seen other streamers having the same problems with alerts. I saw a guy who was saying, like, okay, the sub alert's not working, the donation alert is working, and he was kind of listing what works and what doesn't right now. He's having some problems with it too. But we got our 800 last night. And, oh my god, the dog saw me. The dog saw me. Oh my god, two dogs. Bad. I just want to get to Radon's portal, folks. So we streamed for about 3 hours last night and got the one sub, right? And then I go to sleep and wake up and I got like 3 more. And then we get like more today. And so, yeah, guys, I'm telling you, man. Like, I'll tell you, on Facebook, it was so insane when I got an alert and I would get a subscriber. Subscriber on Facebook is a monthly supporter, okay? It's a monthly supporter. And I would get subscribers when I'm not even live. And it blew my mind the first time I got a follow when I was not live. And then I get supporter offline. I'm like, what? Well, we're just getting there on YouTube now, where I'm starting to get subs when I'm not even streaming. That's good. Yeah, man. Yeah. So if you're not hip to the chess streams on Facebook, I've been doing for about 3.5 years. I probably pretty close to when I started streaming. Started a Man Bun Monday, and it just kind of stuck. I took it away because it kind of, if I just washed my hair and I put it in a man bun, it totally disfigures my hair for like a long time, a day or something. I'm too vain for that, folks. My hair's already jacked up. I'll leave it in a bun. So sometimes we do Man Robe Monday, because I don't want to mess my hair up. Today, bunning, guys. I BTFU. I call it BTFUing. Awesome news, Christopher Williams. Yeah, thank you, man. Well, you know what, Christopher Williams, you're part of it. You guys are all freaking part of it, and I really, really appreciate it, man. I'm having a freaking blast. I got a smudge, guys. We got to get the smudge. We can't be gaming with the smudge.
The festival.
Okay. Ready as I'll ever be. While he tells us about Radon, I'll go ahead and take care of the smudge, right?
Allow me to paint you the full picture.
And then I'm gonna kill Radon. I'm gonna cheese him with the lightning build, folks. That's the plan. Will it work? I don't know. I don't freaking know. I'm gonna have to change a couple things because I had some holy stuff going for the Death Right target.
General Radon is
We're having
cursed
trouble
ever
last
to
night.
wander.
We're having trouble with the Death Knight. So hopefully we can get him tonight. Hopefully Drew's in. For some reason I think Drew might be here. Okay, you guys signed up for that? You guys see enough of that? I didn't. You know why? Because I got rid of my smudge.
We must make merry.
We must make merry. Yeah.
Gathering of champions.
Okay, I can walk now, right? Okay. Guys, it's a sin. You can't leave pennies laying on the ground. I don't care if it's NG plus 11 or 12 or whatever it is. We're going to know which one it is when we get back to the round table a little later on, hopefully tonight, when we have our full setup for the Death Sorcery build done. Then, we're going to go to the round table. We're going to NG plus this fool. Sorry, sir. Guys, the furniture costs money, man. Can you break these? Oh, my God. I must be really strong, dude. You know how heavy and strong those things must be in real life? IRL, guys. That's some serious furniture, man. Church pews, dude. We went to Schlotzsky's. Does anyone have Schlotzsky's sandwiches around them? Schlotzsky's makes a good sandwich, guys. And we went to lunch to Schlotzsky's today. I had some business to attend to for the Chillers real life meetup in 12 days, guys. Oh my God. I am so excited about that. I'm going to get to meet some of you guys in real life. Okay, here we go. Wait, we have to check our equipment Oreo. This thing I'm going to trade for... What is my other trinket? Ritual Sword Talisman, I think. Is it? Is it RTS, guys? Or RST? It's down here, right? Is that for this one? I missed them. They closed all locations near us. Christopher Williams, that sucks, man. Yeah. Raises attack power when HP is at minimum. Do I have attack power with lightning? What is... Oh! Sacred Scorpion Charm, probably. Raises... Yeah, it's the charm. Raises fire... Magic raises lightning attack. It's probably that one. Yeah, that's it. Okay, good. This guy ain't gonna hit very hard, guys, I don't think. Now we have to mix a wonderful physic, which we didn't do. It's okay. Because we gotta have this right. Caleb, what's up, man? Yeah, I went to Slotsky's for lunch. It was freaking great, man. It was freaking great. And I kind of had the pick of the litter on the locations for the Chillers picnic. So I picked the best one. I picked the biggest one and the best one. I believe it's spot number 1. It had the most picnic benches. It's got a nice covering on top.
The festival. Are you good?
Oh, wait, what did I just went there for what? And I didn't mix my physic, guys. I just went there and didn't mix my physics. I'm talking, guys. I have to be a better streamer, guys. Kevin Cook is here. Caleb, what's up, dude, man? Good to see you, man. Caleb was there for the... Okay, mix wonderful physic, guys. My God. Mix wonderful physic. I don't want to boost holy. I want this one right here. Okay, and then as long as I have to memorize a spell too, because I don't have my lightning nuke up, guys. We got it. Memorize a spell. I'm just gonna put it here because it's not gonna be too hard. I think the only spell we're gonna use, guys. It's the only spell we're gonna use. It's the only spell we're gonna need. Radon might get one phase. That's what we're shooting for here, guys. One phase. He has a huge hitbox. What you want with this build is huge hitbox. The bigger the hitbox, the more damn you get. Caleb said I was there for Facebook mishap 2 times. Oh, yeah, man. My God, guys. I started my chess stream today. 5 minutes into it, it shuts off. And it was not me. It was not me. It was Facebook. So I set the stream up again. I got to retype descriptions and thumbnails. And I can do it pretty quick, but it's like, I get back up. It stays up for like 2 minutes, and then it shuts off again. Facebook. God bless him. God bless him. They'll fix it. So then I went live the 3rd time. It was a charm. I said last try. And guys, we were live for 2 hours. We had a great chess stream. It was good. We played some cool games. Oh, interesting. Caleb Boyd, check this out. After the game, that guy, Matt, whatever, you finally beat Placidux yesterday. 2 more achievements till platinum. Kevin Cook, nice, man. If any of you play chess on chess.com, guys, you guys might be familiar with the scenario. But there was a guy in chat that kept saying moves, and he was saying good moves, and I can tell he's a good player. I can tell, guys. When they say moves that I'm saying, or they say moves that I'm not seeing, that I look and go, wow, that's a really good move, I'm like, this guy's good. Matt, whatever his name was, Matt Lard, Matt Lack, Matt something. And he wanted to play me. So the last game of the stream, I played him on chess.com, guys, 15-10. His rating was over 2,000, okay? I did not report him, guys. I did not report him. It said he played like a 2,400, which I've had that before. I really have. And it said I played like a 2,100. But I wasn't cheating, and he was. And he got banned from chess.com, guys. The guy I played, Caleb, the guy I played last game of the chess stream tonight, the 2045 player, he was cheating. And I thought he was. During the game, I didn't. Right at the end of the game, I'm like, you know, I got nothing out of that opening. I've played that opening against very strong masters, 2,300 players, and got way more. It's like every theme I had, he shut down. Every theme I had, he shut down. I'm like, I didn't get anything. And I was thinking, I got to go hit the books because I really misplayed that. Well, I probably did misplay it, but I was playing against Stockfish, which is a computer that plays better than Magnus Carlsen. So, I'm not too upset about it. You know what I'm saying? The guy got banned, man. Wow, he was just banned. Yeah, right after the game. Or was he banned before today? He created. Oh, I have no idea, Caleb. I have no idea, man. Drew, what's up, dude? Hey, Drew. Maybe a little bit later we could use a little bit of help killing a Deathrite bird if Trey's around. I need something from the Deathrite bird in Consecrated Snowfields, and we were having a hell of a time with them last night. I think all three of us could do it. I really do. I really do. Okay, I'm gonna buff up when I'm in there. So we're just gonna run in, get on the horse, summon a bunch of Fulios, corn Fulios, I like to call them, and then pull up this spell. Well, we're gonna buff up first because he'll be busy with them. Then we're gonna run in, wait for an attack, and we're gonna try and cheese him, guys. This is the plan. Golden Vow is our first thing, so here we go, guys. Wait, let's go. Travel to another location. Yes, yeah. Yeah, Trey and Charlie started this build at 1 a.m. Yeah, we did last night, man. I went live last night. Wow. If I get hit, yeah, I was gonna say if I get hit. If I get hit, it's botched, folks. Did I get all three? I did. Good. Sometimes I'd swear they don't, Good. Now here come the sticks. You guys know the sticks, right? Is that a message? No, that was Alexander. He was all by himself, folks. Okay, now here's where I asked him in the reel, my last short. Y'all could distract Rodon. That would be great. Yeah. Then I came right over here. This was that was with a different build. Okay, here we go. Buff. Oh wait. Get in there. Get in there, folks. What is he, like, allergic to freaking... He got out of it. Come on. Come closer. Got him. Man, that was embarrassing. That was clearly embarrassing. What for a cheese build? That was not correct, guys. That was not correct. That is not I can't be doing this on my stream. I have to do better. Jeez Louise. I had to pull the trigger 3 times. Super pumped for this build. Been interested in Deathblight build for a while now, says Sanji. Cool, man. Drew. Oh yeah, so Drew said yes, I'll be there. Awesome, Drew. Awesome. Yeah, because I had to get Radon to go to. Maybe if Trey shows up, I can get some help on Twin Gargoyles. Because I think I need now to go to past the 7 layers of the Jellyfield Forest, guys. You know where that is. And then we will go to the DRD, guys. Because I need to go there to grab the staff. So, I don't even think I have to beat Fee as champions, but it might be fun. Good, man. Take it easy, says Drew. Cool. A red mark was made on the map. So I have to go to Nokron? Wait. Do you have to go to Nokron to get the... Yeah, Nokron. Nokron's where... Yeah. I just go through... I go right through there. I could go... Is there a... Can I get a grace? Should we talk to Alexander? I think on this character, I already have his good trinket, so I don't need to. Let's check it. What's it called? Great Shard of Alexander or something, guys? Don't you need Nokron? You got to go to Nokron to get the... I got to go past the Twin Gargoyles, up the Coffin of Death waterfall to get to Deep Root Depths, right? And that's where I spawn, well, I can jump up to Fia's Champions. And up there is where my staff is that I need that I don't have on this character. And so we're going to run and grab that sucker right quick. Let me see. Equipment Oreo. Let's just check something and see it. Yeah. Shard of Alexander. Wait. Warrior Jar Shard. This is the one, right? Shard of Alexander is the harder one to get. The one where you got like you got to do his quest and kill him and stuff later, right, guys? Oh, I mean, I guess because you don't kill him here anyway, right? I'll just talk to him to be sure, guys. I'll just talk to him to be sure. Because we're probably going to be NG plusing soon anyway, but if we're going to need it, if there's something I'm leaving on the table, guys, this is the time to do it. We got to prep this, and we got to walk into the world as a horribly powerful death sorcerer, folks. What a sick fight, eh?
Ah, good. What a sick way to fight, eh?
A sick way to fight. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it was a sick way for me to fight. Are you done? I'll kill you later in the freaking underground poopy region. Yeah. Exactly. See, yeah. So now we gotta go. We just gotta go to a little place called Fort Hate, right? Thank God we got the grace, guys. We only got that grace recently, guys. I'm not going to go easy on my mimic tier because we're on a mission. Forgive me. We're gonna like maybe take our weapon off, our sword off, and our seals off, and then we're going to maybe just put the sword back. Maybe just the sword back on. I mean, guys, we're not animals, right? Maybe the sword and the seal, whatever's quicker. And then we're just gonna cheese the mimic tier to get him out of our life, guys, because he's only in the way. I don't need him. If I needed him, guys, I wouldn't cheese him. I'd fight him fair and square. But guess what? Don't need him. I already have multiple mimic tiers on this character, guys. Multiple. Whoa, I'm always scared here, guys. It's always a little bit scary. You got. Whoa. See, I just almost died. I just almost died, guys. 269 million rooms. Right here. There we go. Caleb, what's up? Sanji's here. Cool, man. I think I should have a walking around spell and a walking around sword. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, dude, it just like kind of glitched out right there for a second. Guys, why do I get loot, man? How far on your run, Caleb? Oh my God, don't do that. I'm gonna freaking fall off the edge of the world, guys. I'm telling you, I never forget how scared I was right here. It's like, will I die? Will I die? I already did all the parkour to get down here. I don't want to freaking die. The sophomoric grease, folks. Guys, melted mushrooms. What are melted mushrooms for? I know mushrooms are for sleep pots, right, guys? What are melted mushrooms for? Because I think I saw someone talking about them. Maybe they didn't actually need... I'm always scared right here, guys. And I always go on this side. I don't know why. It's just me. Okay, and probably going to take a hit here because I'm greedy. Okay, where? Go, run. Remember when we got invaded here and the guy was like hiding up on top? I hit him with the bow, but whatever happened? I think we just left him, right? Because he didn't want to come down, we didn't want to go up. One dog's looking this way, one dog's looking this way. I want loot, guys. I want loot. I'm a looter. All this makes you richer, guys. It's what is it? What do you call it? It's wealth. It's wealth to be handed down generation to generation, guys. I need that finger to maybe... And this is the one I was really scared of. Oh, my God. Remember this? Yeah, man. Oh, and I died here the other day, but we're going to grab it. What is this one? More sophomore grease? Gold rooms. I'll take them, man. Those come in handy when you're broke and you want to level a weapon or something. And you just... Now, one thing I'm kind of a sucker for... Glove warts, guys. Glove warts. I'm a sucker for glove warts. I don't need to deal with him, guys. We're running. Trey's here. Trey, what's up, dude? Hey, Trey, what do you think about bringing Drew in for the Death Right Bird, man? I think it would be the move because I just cheesed Radon, but I think I had to pull the trigger 3 times. It's very embarrassing. But I did. I one-phased him, but it's like one of them didn't even hit, and I was right on top of him. It was really weird, man. I still don't understand what happened. I'll have to watch a replay, guys. You can't get better if you don't watch your video footage replay, guys. I think it's the move for sure. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we'll do that. We'll do that when Drew becomes available. Right now, I'm trying to get to Deep Root Depths. So I can... What's this, like a stone? No, Runar. Yeah, I remembered, guys. You'll be home soon. Cool, man. Cool deal, dude. I didn't know for sure if you were going to be here, so I pulled up a list of the death sorceries, and then I was just going to start hunting them down myself. So I'll always be continue working. Now, escape. Equipment Oreo. Remove. 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 He has nothing. He's going to throw rocks at us, guys. He's going to throw rocks at us. He's going to throw rocks at us. And I think I want the glaive spell, too, which I don't think I equipped it. Did I? Didn't. Or, dude, this is so jacked up that when I do this to him, are NPCs affected by blight? Like, do they grow the thorns and such? I don't know, Sandy. They kind of came up with this spell late last night, early morning, Billy, so basically chat picked. Yeah, Billy, Death Sorceries should be the chat's pick character. You know what? We almost did that, except I don't like the way the chat picks character is already evolved. The things in the game, he's already deleted. His level, everything about it, it just feels off to me, man. I don't want to farm rooms to catch up. So I'm either gonna make a new chat picks character, and we could start with the same one. I want him to be like level 12. You know what I'm saying? I want to go do and I'm gonna solo everything. I'm gonna do we'll do Margit and everything by myself. If I use summons, I'll use summons. But I don't want to zerg through everything. You know what I'm saying? And so yeah, I'm gonna get this staff. That's what I'm working for right now, is getting this staff, and I'll go grab me one of those pokers. We'll go cheese that freaking Death Right Bird again. It was so fun doing that. We'll get another one. I only made it through about a half hour last night. It was past my bedtime. Well, Kevin Cook, thanks for coming, man. You see that? Just wondering, since it was already turning into death. Yeah, right. No, got you, Billy. Got you. We almost did that. We almost said, like, we could just take over that build. I'm like, nope. I want it to be NG plus, and I want to start over. Death Poker is chat pick, and the build is gonna use Hyphen Steeple and Ritual Spear. Oh, that's right. We're using Hyphen Steeples and Ritual Spear. That's right. But that doesn't mean I can't go get a Death Poker to have it. You know what I'm saying? And use it. Because I probably will. Okay. Anything I need to know? Don't want to even drink. We just want to go in and get some cheese off. It's going to be so hard for me to get my I didn't want to do that! Should I run away? Quick. Give me something. Give me anything. He's going to start hitting me. Got a Dark Moon Greatsword, guys. I just grabbed it because it was level 10. Oh, that's the wrong one. This is the one. Oh, I think we put poop on him. We put poop on him. That is so rude, guys. Guys, I'm only doing this because I don't want to spend the time. I don't want to spend the time playing the game correctly, guys. Throw a rock at me, guys. Eat the frost poopies, Mimi. You're not my real Mimi. I already have one. Why do I keep doing that? I keep hitting the wrong button, guys. You can't hurt me, man, Mimi. So stop trying. Just lay down and let it happen, Mimi. Lay down and let it happen. This is the move. This is the move right here. He's actually hitting me. Sorry, you can't drink me. I will not allow it. He's throwing rocks. Sorry, Memester. You're not my real Mimi, so it doesn't even matter. I have a real Mimi in my pocket, level 10. Okay, guys. That was done. We took care of the Memester. I feel bad. I feel really bad. Larval tier, I'll take it. We might use that later, folks. Okay. Equipment. Remove. This one. We need to get the seals. The seals are down low, right, guys? The seals are down low, too slow. Where's the seals? Where's the freaking seals, man? Seal me up. Look at the claws. I got the claws, man. We talked about claws. Okay, yeah, this one. Equipment. Here. More seals. Way down. Art! We gotta get seals, folks. We gotta get seals for the spells. That's gonna work out very well. It's gonna work out very well. Whoa. There we go. Okay, and then we have to have a walking around sword. And it's that... Is that thing a poker? I should be able to recognize it by the way it looks, guys. Look, it's this one. There we go. Cool, now we have a walking around sword, folks. Destined Death isn't a status effect, says Billy. Destined Death is not death sorcery for some reason. Godskin Slayer, seals, or death spells. Am I gonna have... Are those the ones I'm using? Gravelstone. Am I gonna have to get some seals, man? That's the same thing, but yeah, this is gonna be sick. It's gonna be fun, guys. It's gonna be fun. We're trying to stay busy, folks. We're trying to have a good time waiting for the freaking... waiting for the expansion. You know what I mean? I realized last night that, of course, I haven't done every possibility in this game, guys. But, like, the Madness build that we did a while ago was something... That's a whole theme with all new spells and everything I'd never done before, right? This one here, Death Sorceries, to be honest, is kind of... It's kind of unique to me from what I was doing. Do I have to go deal with Ranny's stuff? I don't, right, guys? I can just go 7 layers. I can go straight to the 7 layers of the Jellyfield Forest, right, guys? And then I'm gonna have to see if I can freaking kill these fools with the lightning build, because they whack, man. They slap. But one is from Death Rune and one is from Plague, right? Okay. Guys, hear the music? We're going through the 7 layers of the Jellyfield Forest. Dagger? Old Fang. It looks like a dagger. Okay. Or did I totally jack that up? Little Grace, guys, I'm going to grab it. Basically, this is a Ghost Flame build, guys. Cool. Now, you guys know me too, man. I very often will evolve as I go. Whoa. If there's something that I favor in the build, I might use it more than some of the other things. Sanji, no, he isn't doing Death Blight, just magic death sorceries that can cause frost buildup. Yeah. Death. They're called Death Sorceries. Death Sorceries. Is there a reason why... I usually grab this, don't I? I went looking around the other day, guys. Look at this guy. You could talk to this guy. Hand over the twin armor set. Do I kill him for it? I went exploring the other day, guys. I went some places I'd never been before. Something tells me these things are not going to be freaking, like, weak. Oh, I'm summoning for sure, guys. I'm summoning for sure. 1,000,000%. So dinner was chicken breast, says Caleb. Started on the grill, then took them off and put them in Pyrus glass disc, sprinkled minced garlic and shredded Parmesan cheese. Dude, Caleb, that sounds so good, man. Yeah. So to make everyone hungry, you just made me freaking hungry, bro. He helps with the twin gargoyles. Who are you talking about, Billy? It's Dee's brother. He's part of first quest. Who should I use for twin gargoyles? I think I got a Tisha. The thing I like about Tisha is Tisha will keep them freaking wiggling, man. You know what I mean? Tisha will keep them wiggling, guys. You know what I like? I like enemies that are wiggling. I should have removed some spells, but I'm probably going to need them for the Deathrite Bird later, so I'm just going to keep them up. Okay, take that off. And, I guess just go try and kill the first one as fast as we can, right? The guy you handed the twin armor set. Oh, okay. He helped? Oh, I can summon him? What? Oh, there's no way! That is so cheesy! Yay, we got another summons! Dude, I'm trying to remember if I ever did this guy. Dude, that is freaking cool, Billy. Thank you, because that's exactly what I was looking for. Because I'm not here, I'm just here to get a staff. And I got to kill Radon, I got to kill these guys, and I got to get to Deep-Root Depths to get the staff. This is all about the magic coffin ride, guys, okay? So, I could probably go in above, because... I got no... You guys can attack him, you know. I stood right in front of him, guys. Now I want to drink. That was a mistake. I think there's some poison on it. Come on. I should just shoot him, guys. Because his sister's coming. His sister's on me, guys. His sister is on me. Wow. If I die here, this is going to suck. Yep, I suck. You're making meatloaf. Ma! My girl's in the kitchen whipping up some spaghetti and garlic bread. Oh, Billy, that sounds so good. I have stuff for spaghetti, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna cheese him. I'm going to stay back and shoot him with the lightning maricas. I just read that on the screen. That's why I said it. Doesn't really make sense, guys. Doesn't really make sense. But we're gonna stand back and shoot him, guys. Now we have a flask too for massive amounts of more damage. We can still summon that same fool, right? The Corn Fulio. Oh, he's here, baby. Come on, Dr. D, the beholder of death. Feeling it. Feeling you, brother. I want to like hit this before I well, I kind of blew it, so let's go ahead and drink this. No, I drink that inside. We're going in. Rolling about. Oh, smack it. You can attack him, Kish, you know. Now, I want this guy down. If you guys could not stand in the... I'm trying to bring him... Good. His sister's almost here, guys. His sister's almost here. She's coming. She's going to be mad. She's going to have poopies. I knew I shouldn't have done that. Wow. Okay, we got a million health pots, but if Sissy... Dude, he's trying to delete me, bro. Stop. Oh, is there someone hitting me from behind? Is this... The sister's on me, guys. Got him. Okay. How's everyone doing on health? She's trying to jack up the t-shirt, guys. Was a huge mistake. Run to the teach. Run to the... See what I'm saying? There we go. Spit the poison, man. You got no chance. You got no chance. Well, if both my boys die, you might have a chance. Oh, that was a good shot, guys. Come on. Check top off. Popping off, folks. Got him. Okay, now we just cheese those fools so we can take the magic carpet ride, guys. Everyone wants to take a magic carpet ride. Ooh, give me my runes, man. 300k. We might need that for later, folks. The Grace is over here. Dude, Meatloaf! Ma! What is she doing back there? I guess that's a pizza from the gas station. Sanji, you know what, Sanji? That sounds real good right now myself. So I have hot sausages, guys. I could maybe even, at some point, I might pull a couple out, drop them in some water, just to kind of start, and then maybe do a late night. I make my pasta like the sauce kind of from scratch. You know what I mean? Not like I don't boil the tomatoes with the fresh tomatoes, but I do use canned tomatoes. I use a combination of sauce, crushed, and sometimes even whole tomatoes, and then I season it the way I like it. You know what I mean? Just olive oil, garlic, a little bit of butter, guys. Butter. Toss in some butter, more fat. It's good. Oregano, basil, stuff like that. If I might have some red peppers left over from the pizza. Drop some of those suckers in there. You know what I'm saying? Man, I haven't had pork chops in so long. That sounds so good. Who's doing pork chops? Wifey made pork chops and mashed taters. Ooh, Kevin Cook, that is awesome. I have pork chops. I could make pork chops and taters. I could pull out a pork chop too and drop that sucker in water. And then I've got these cheap freaking $1 each bags of potatoes where you just add boiling water, 2 cups or whatever, stir it up and it's done. You know what I mean? Different flavors. They're cheap, they're cheesy, and they're fast, and they're good. They're probably horrible for you. I just wanted to cheese those things to get the magic carpet ride, guys, and we got it. Now I know where I am. Yup. I'm not going to kill this guy. I kill this guy a lot, guys. I don't care about killing this guy. We're in setup mode. We're going to get a staff. We're going to get a staff, guys. It's like the Prince's Staff of Death or something, right? The Prince's Staff from Death Sorceries or something it's called. They have pork chops on a stick at the Renfest nearby. Actually really good. Hot and fatty. I do know where it is. We found it. Were you the one? No, someone else read it to me, right, Billy? Because you probably could have told me where it was. It was Joe H. Joe H, I think he might have copied it and pasted it. The Prince's Staff of Death, or whatever it's called, is on a tower before Fia's Dragon. And I'm like, Fia's Dragon? Before Fia's Dragon, there is no before Fia's Dragon, unless you zone into Fia's Dragon. I'm giving you a whole dialogue from last night. Here's the point. I found the freaking staff. I went outside, I looked around, we did a little parkour and a little jumping around the buildings, you know what I mean? And I found the staff. I know exactly how to get there, man. So, this part takes 2 seconds. I just realized I hit Y on mouse and keyboard. That's how you probably know. That's how you look at your underground map. And I had on this character, I had no underground map, guys. I do now. There's my normal map. I hit Y, and it wouldn't go to underground because I had no underground. Because I hadn't done Sophia River. Hadn't done Deep Root Depths. Nokron, none of that malarkey. So I'm like, well, I got to kill Radon to open Nokron. To get through Nokron, to take the magic carpet ride, which we did. And now there's loot in there, but guys, I don't care about it. There's also loot by the bear. It's a pretty cool somber. You can't go, guys. You can't go that way. You got to go this way. I remember fighting this night over here on this frozen lake, and having a hell of a time. That guy, I really do. First playthrough, probably, right? Okay. Now I might not know the shortcut to get there, and I'm probably it's right up here, right? Yeah, I thought I was gonna go because last time I came from up here at Fia's Champs. You know what I'm saying? So I was gonna go up there and start there and come down, and I'm like, wait a minute, you know where it is. All right, guys, we could check that one off our list. Prince of Death's staff. Wait, come on, man. What's going on? I'm in freaking combat. I'm in combat, bro. We got to go up. Whoa. I just was... We got to go up. I saw someone saying they hate this jump. And I'm like, ever since they said that, it freaked me out. You know what happened? I picked up the freaking rune, and then my jump button wouldn't work until I hit the E button. And I freaking hit F like 2 times, and I'm like, oh, duh. Yeah. So maybe that's why they hate that jump. It's not a hard jump. I think I got in my own head is what I did there, folks. It's okay. We got this. The runes better be on a... Now watch me pick up the runes and mess up the jump. No, I won't say, you have picked up runes. Hit the E. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Boom! That which I fear has come upon me, folks. That's probably why they hated it. Yeah, right. Yeah, they probably set it up like that. They're like, they'll loot, and then they won't be able to jump. You know what I mean? It's crazy. It's kind of like the way they make the fights where the Margit, they'll have the swing will delay. So the first time you roll early, and then you don't have time to roll again, and you die. Dude, these runes better be here. We're probably not even to the point where we're going to start leveling weapons anyway, so I'm not that worried about it. I shouldn't be. I see him now. I want a running start, folks. I mean, look. I made it by a lot. Why am I coming here? Oh, for the grace. Logging in, cool. That's probably why. Well, Drew's not going to be here for a little bit, Trey. I'm trying to think. Is there something else? Maybe we could go on a side mission. Is there something else we need to do? Or something I can just go get myself, man? You know what I'm saying? Because if I just got to go get something, we don't have to multiplayer summon, you know, the whole time. You know what I mean? Let me see here. Ancient Death Rancor. I think we got that one, right, guys? Ancient Death Rancor. I should have wrote these down. Ancient Death Rancor. Hope the other ones have shorter names. Fia's Mist. That's an easy one. I think I might have that. Fia's Mist. Maybe not. Maybe I have to beat the champs. Explosive Ghost Flame. Explosive Ghost Flame. Tibia Summons. I don't think I have that. The last one is Rancor Call. I might have got that one. Okay. I got all 5 Death Sorceries listed, folks. Caleb says different. We only need the last bird. Are you sure I have all? I have all the Death Sorceries? We're gonna check right now, folks. We'll just pretend we want to memorize a spell. We'll trick the game, and we'll scroll down. Rancor Call, Ancient Death Rancor, Fia's Mist, Tibia Summons. I think I'm missing one. I'm missing Explosive Ghost Flame. I'm missing Explosive Ghost Flame, Trey. Now that the Beholder of Death guy will be available to talk after Fia dies. Same guy you got staff on last night. Same guy, Caleb. You were telling me, remember, now just remember how to get there, remember? And I'm like, I know how to get there, man. Explosive Ghost Flame. Oh, so that's it. Yeah, I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I got this staff. Oh, but this staff we were saying, yeah, no, this staff we're not even going to be using this staff, right? Or are we? Because I'm going to get a buff. I'm going to get a buff. Does that weapon that you recommended I use, does it get a buff from do the spells get a buff from it? Kind of like the meteorite staff and the freaking gravity stuff, right, guys? Right? You will be using the staff. Cool, because I just got that sucker. So this guy's done now, except for that Deathrite bird. Yeah, we're gonna use 2 Prince of Death staffs. I'm gonna have to get dropped one, and then of course, I'll be happy to drop one back to one of you guys. You know what I'm saying? Can you literally hand stuff off? Like, can I drop a bunch of stuff to you, and then log into my other character, summon you, and you drop it to me on my character, and I can transfer them from character to character? Can you do that in this game? I guess you can, right? If they let multiplayer people drop stuff, you can do that. Cool, because I might need to, because I might need like some level 10 sombers and stuff, right? Oh wait, sorry. Equipment Dorio. Let us find the staff of the Princess Staff of Death, folks. Because that's something we can do right now. Prince of Death's staff. That's the one we're talking about. And those seals he was talking about were... What were the seals you were talking about? I don't know if I have those or not. Prince of Death's staff. Yep, you could do that. Can't drop smithing stones. Oh, that hurts. Billy says you can drop anything other than key items and weapons that are leveled higher than you have a weapon leveled. Cannot drop smithing stones. That's rough. We're not even going to use seals for this. You don't need them to cast those spells? Ignore that. Okay, yeah. God Slayer seals. You do. I have 1 God Slayer seal. You can use any seal for gold val if you want. Oh. But don't you have to have the seals to cast a spell? You don't? Do you not need any seal to cast spells? And what are seals for? They just make them stronger or something? I don't understand. I'm confused. You're casting them from the staff. Oh, that's what the staff is for. See, you guys... Okay, but I should level the staff, right, guys? I'm trying to strengthen armament. Smithing... Oh, this is not a somber thing, guys. I only have 84 ones, guys. This is why I pick up stuff, guys. Oh my god. I only have... Oh, no. I'm good. Okay, doing good on 6s. I only have 14 7s, bro. I'm gonna need 7s, man. Is there a ball bearing? I'm gonna need 8s. So it's done? It's done? Prince of Death's staff plus 2/5. Dennis says 2 staffs won't give extra boosts. Trey says yes, it will, Dennis. Interesting. Conflicting opinions. It happens sometimes here, guys. Because Dennis said that like he believed it to be true. Now Trey is saying that like he believes it to be true. So, we will find out, guys. We will find out. It will come to us. I'm not gonna NG plus, guys. Begin journey 11. So it would be NG. This will be an NG plus 10. Okay, fair enough. That would have sucked if I freaking clicked on that, man. We would have just started it. You were logged in now, by the way. I think you. So missed that one. I'm not. I think you. I can't see it because the damn comment won't freaking know. I think you still missed that one. You think I still missed that one? I think I still missed which one? You need a seal if you want golden bow. Yeah. Seals are for black flame spells. I was informing you like it earlier. I didn't understand the Billy. No, Billy, it's okay, brother. Tours online. Missed that I logged in. Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to Ordania, Liturgical Ordania, right, guys? And I'm going to need just a second because I love that freaking spell. Memorize spell. Remove. Litany of Proper Death. Remove. Not using it, guys. I wanted it. I don't need it. Okay, wait. Now, my wonderful physic. Get rid of this. And this one is lightning attacks, so we gotta do holy attacks. There we go. Wonderful physic has been mixed, guys. Now, Equipmentorio. That's all for the lightning. Dude, let's raise. Let's raise holy instead. Right? I didn't do that last night, guys. And then I can take this off. Okay. Dirty finger going down, folks. Old password. Is that what we stayed with last night? Multiplayer. Old password. My old password, folks. Okay, dirty finger going down, folks. Now, just for fun, I am probably going to need to say switch and get my Taunter's Tongue out, guys. Taunter's Tongue. There we go. Of course, I'm going to summon my friends before I start sticking my dirty tongue out, folks. Looking. Trying to find Drew. Charlie, I'm going to drop you something. No way, man. No way, man. Guys, I think he's going to give me the other staff, guys. No way, Trey. Now that's fun. Now I'm having freaking fun. I get a gift, guys. Did you guys used to be so into World of Warcraft when you got an upgrade, like you felt like you got a physical item? Like it made your day, you got like really excited? I did. Because I used to raid pretty hard with a pretty hardcore raiding guild. And it was so... Oh my god. Getting an upgrade was insane. Because we never got upgrades. Oh, that's a steeple. Elfin steeple. Okay. Tell me some of these are somber. Do I only have one of those? What, is that a sword? Helfin's steeple. What is it? A poker? What are we talking about here? What kind of steeple are we talking about here? I don't think I've heard. Is it one of these things? Elfin's steeple. I've got 4 of them. It's a great sword. And I've got 4 of them. So just look to see whichever one. Oh, I've got 4 of them. Okay, here. Wait. Oh, wait. How do I... Oh, wait. I gotta go to... How do I drop something? I want to drop it back. I feel guilty. Where'd Trey go? Trey's gone. Nice, nice. Ooh, I think I just heard Trey. Maybe that's... So did Drew say he was ready or not? He said he was logged in. Oh, I'm leveling up some stuff right quick. Okay, cool, cool. Let's take the sword back. Yeah. I don't know how to drop it though. How do you drop it? How do you drop it? Equip, remove, back, switch, view, compare details. I don't know how to drop it. Guys. I don't know how to drop it. On my way. Trey says leave. Oh, I go to I do it from inventory. From inventory. Duh. Yeah, from inventory. I get it now. Yep. Sorry about that, guys. I'm a freaking noob. I don't get to drop stuff for you guys too often. Now, do I say leave or discard? I leave it, right? Do it from inventory. Got that right. Thank you. Leave. Whoa. Ugh. Crash. That's okay, Drew. How do I undo that? Billy, I didn't mean to do that, man. What'd you do? Do I leave? Yeah, hit leave. Thank you. Now, did you already drop? Yeah, mine's over there. Prince of the Staff. Awesome. And I've got you, I got your sword right here, man. Thank you for that. Oh, you hit him and unhit him. You accidentally hid Billy. Don't hide my Billy, man. Hey. I'll go and throw the Taunter's tongue down while we're waiting for Drew. Maybe we'll get a little action. I'll put some Elden stars on that fool. No, I think he accidentally snoozed you or something by accident. Or maybe he hid you personally so he couldn't see your comments is what it was. And he's like, I didn't try and do that. How do I undo it? And he undid it. If I think I'm following the... Yeah, exactly. No, it happens, man. I've had people flip out and be like, why was my comment deleted? I'm like, maybe someone made a mistake. Happens. You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, I think our boy's here. I think our boy's here. Oh, you blocked me. I think you did it on purpose. Yeah, there you go, Billy. Get him. Wait, we have to get our formals ready, guys. When he pops in, we got to give him a wave. We got to give him a wave, guys. To say, hey! Like a little boy. Like a little baby.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Why is that funny to me? I'm a dork. I'm a dork, guys. Got my Pally Claus play on. Checking it out. Nice, nice. Yeah. Feeling it. All right, guys. Now, Drew, just to catch you up to speed. We had the Linernia bird we killed, I think, on the second attempt or something. Wherever the second one was. Oh, yeah. Yeah, by Castle SOL. We died a whole bunch of times, and then we did 2 in a row, I think, if I remember right, or something like that. We got him quick. We got him quicker. We got it way quicker once we started killing it, but we had a lot of attempts. This one here took a second, bro, and we never got him. Where's Drew? Elden stars, folks. All these freaking stars. Where is he? He's usually here by now. Oh, it's not nighttime. Son of a gun. I didn't rest till night, guys. I didn't rest till night. I didn't. I didn't. Well, I'm going to be in combat now. Hot rookie, totally. Yeah, no, man. I totally did, and I forgot. We were doing the weapons and stuff. You know, I'm a rookie. All those things. All of the above. I got evaded! Damn it. This freaking sucks, man. You guys see where I am? Get over here. Well, at least I got my flask up. Yeah, me too. Where is he? Where is he? Did he go away? Nope. Yeah. Right. Where is he? Dude, I am so not prepared like to do combat on this character. There he is. I'm gonna have to get my spells off, right, guys? He knows what he's dealing with now. He's gonna be able to dodge those real easy, man. I'm dead, right? I got blood loss. Oh no! Why can't... Oh, I two-handed it. You put the rancor on me! That thing... What is that, a summons or something? This guy is not, I don't think, as good as me, guys. Keep drinking, buddy. Keep drinking, buddy. Keep drinking, buddy. Keep drinking, buddy. You gotta drink again, dude. Like I did. That's bad. This guy's a little bit annoying. You put the fire giant poopy on me, guys. Put the fire giant poopy on me. That's jacked up. I got time to drink. I gotta run out of mana, guys. Elden stars, folks. You absolutely love to see it here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Is he outrunning them? This guy don't want to die. I was a little slow on that. Now he's gonna run. Gotta dance. I mean, I'm amazed that I was able to do that. I'm amazed that I was... I just want to get back to my freaking grace. God. It took forever. You can charge this weapon, Charlie. Oh, really? Okay. Did you guys put your fingers down, guys? Oh no, I didn't even see you guys. I was too freaking engaged. So you're gonna come back. You guys can port right back here and do it, right? Yeah. I'm gonna rest until night. Come back here. Tell me when your thing is down at the back at the grace, guys, and then I'll summon you. That would have been freaking hilarious, guys. Because he kept making distance. Okay. Until night. No, I said until morning. Okay. I clicked the wrong button, guys. Until the night falls. Here we go. That was fun, man. It trips me out that people actually PvP in this game. Oh, God. People PvP in this game. I would expect every person that intentionally PvPs to come in and destroy me. I really would. And when they don't, I'm like, what? That guy would have been Swiss cheese. Oh my God. That guy would have had no chance, man. That poor, yeah. Good one on the invasion. Thanks, man. That was cool. That was cool for sure. I clicked both you guys. Okay, here they come. They both pop at the same time, folks. I only got to do one. Hey. All right, guys. Let's go kill us a deathrite bird. I'm going to try to stay alive, guys. It's going to be my goal. Hey. It's going to be my goal in life. I'm not going to do dirty finger until, like, I don't know. I think we should kill the deathrite bird. I did the dirty tongue, guys. Shh. They won't know. We'll get invaded. They're not watching the stream, too. It'll be fun. It'll be fun if we get invaded for the deathrite bird. Okay. Let's go. Dude, Elden stars are a joke, man. That is so bad. And I knew I was never going to hit him with the freaking lightning. That lightning thing is the easiest thing to deal with. You just dodge it. Oh, God. Can't believe it. Yeah, good job with the Elden Stars. Here comes mine. Oh, he's right on. 50%. Love to see it. Try to get him off you, brother. Elden Stars. I'll bring him to the Elden Stars. Okay. Oh, so you can run away from those. Elden Stars. Coming up. Oh, my God. A little farther away than I wanted. Dude. One shot, man. Okay. We got this. I am going to do things like gold, re-gold vow. Oh, and also this thing right here, I should not have on. I should put on, you said magic damage, right? That right there will make the difference for me to stay alive, guys. I can rune arc too, huh? I really should, because I want this freaking thing. We fought with this thing so long last night, man. You forgot to debuff him before Drew died. Oh, man. Was that an NPC invasion or a real person? It was a real person. The one that I got, yeah. Past time until the night falls. You're okay, Trey. Cancel. Leave. Dirty finger for everybody. You get a dirty finger. You get a dirty finger. Everybody gets a dirty finger. Only in Souls type games. Looking. How long does nightfall last, guys? I feel like we're on a timer right now. Like, it's gonna pass to morning. It's gonna. Is it like not even an issue? Is it not even an issue, guys? I only see one.
Hey!
There we go. Hey, man. I could do my hey here. Hey! It's easier. It's easier. It's quicker. It's cheaper. It's faster. Guys, we got to do formalities. I'll wait till Drew gets here to do my hey. This game's a trip the way people warp around and stuff, bro. Yeah, you're fine, Drew. I got freaking one shot anyway. I'm gonna go in and then at some point golden bow. Failing. Okay, cool. Just reset that sucker. Trey's gonna lay down like he's bored and dying. I love that look, man. It's pretty magical. Alluring invaders. Maybe that'll wake Trey up if we get invaded. Here comes the next one. That'd be awesome if the guy came in right now. And then we started fighting. And then Drew just appeared. You'd be like, what? There's 3 of them. If you're just coming to the stream, guys, we're making the Death Sorceries build. I need my last spell from this Deathrite bird. It is Explosive Ghost Flame. I have 2 Death Prince's staves, I guess, and a couple of steeple. Open the door and see all the people, guys. All the peoples. Yeah. It's failing again, huh? Want me to send Trey home and try again if it fails? And then I'll get invaded. It'd be great. Nope, he made it, folks. He made it. Now, see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, is it possible it could, with that delay that we could run out of Nightfall? Charlie, 807 subs last night. Early this morning was 799. Way to go on the subs. Caleb, thank you, man. Thank you very much, Caleb. I'll tell you something. Last night, remember, we were 799 for a couple hours. I'm like, I need 1 sub. You could be sub number 800, you know? We streamed for 3 hours. We got the 1 sub. I got to sleep with 800 subs. It made me feel good. And I woke up and I had like 2 or 3 more. And then like as the day went on, we got a few more. So yeah, man, I'm starting to get more subs when I'm not live and stuff. It's just very, very cool. It's very, very cool. I need to keep posting. I need content for shorts, guys. You guys would be surprised, man. Like, I need fun stuff to do. Oh shucks, don't go yet. I need fun stuff to do. I need fun stuff to do, guys. Stuff I've never done before that I can learn from. She wants it bad, guys. Okay, Drew, you and me. Elden Stars because I can. And then I'm going to Golden Vow. Ooh, in the head. Oh my god, there's a big octopus on me. This sucks. We got this, Drew. Stay alive. Here comes Elden Stars. Oh my god. Thank you, Drew. You're the best. We got him. Probably stay alive. Now the octopus. Octopus is the problem. Explosive Ghostling. Good job, Drew. Good job, dude. Thank you, man. Yeah, I bet I even get an octopus heart out of this, folks. Yeah, a land ovary. Sorry. Ah! Oh my god, I thought that was an invader. Let me get back to the Grace before I get invaded. Okay. Look at my health. Were you at 1%? Yeah, but 1% at the end, we had him. I knew when because he was a hit or two. I knew when I cast that last golden Elden Stars. You can't do a Taunter's Tongue unless you summon people? I knew we had him. I cast it and started running away to be sure he didn't freaking one-shot me or something. Golden Vow helped, guys. Re-Golden Vowing and taking off that sacred, or that Lightning Scorpion Charm. Okay, so now I have all the spells and all the weapons. Now we have to go back. Wait. And see exactly... if I'm going to need smithing stones. But I mean, we don't have to have every weapon at 25 when we start. But I would kind of like to. You know what I mean? You guys know. You guys know me, right? You guys know. I guess I should probably level up one of the swords first, right? Upgrade those first. Oh, wait. I got to put them on. And one ritual spear. Ritual spear. Do I have a ritual spear? Equipmentorio. Okay, where's that thing that it's a great sword that I have 3 of. Okay. I've got one staff 25. I need somber 3s. Okay, yeah, we should look at my inventorio. Somber 3's easy. Inventorio. Let's check. Somber 1, 2, I got plenty of 1s, 2s. 4s, 5s, 6, 7, 8s, and 9s. Oh, and 10s. 7s. I don't have 8s. I don't have 8s, man. Where the hell am I going to get somber 8s, guys? Somber 8s, bro. That freaking sucks. Don't die, Charlie. You got me the spear yesterday. Okay, we'll find it in a second. I need somber 3s, guys. Oh, can we not buy sombers from here? Oh, there we go. I just want to have some on me, guys. I don't think I need that many. Okay. Oh, wait. Purchase. I get 8 right here. Okay, let me be sure it's 8 is what I want, because they're very expensive, folks. Inventorio. And I'm going to need like 3, right? 7. Yeah, I need 3 8s. Ooh, and I think I need a 9 too. 3 8s and a 9. I don't think they're going to sell me a 9, huh? Purchase. 7, 8. Whoop, there's a 9. 8. 3 8s and a 9, I said, right? Is that right? Guys, I got to do my shopping. I'm not a good shopper. Yeah, I think we have it. And we got 5 somber ancients, guys. That's good. You can probably refresh to catch up. Thanks, dude. Wait. Should be able to buy them from the maidens. Yeah, we got it. Caleb, you're behind. Drew says, it's so frustrating when I pause the stream in the middle of a fight because my mouse goes off the screen accidentally. Oh. Okay. Somber weapons, please. Somber weapons are awesome. Okay. Now, what was that other weapon you talked about? The spear. The spear, he says. He says, level the spear. I don't know what I don't know what that is. It's called a okay, so it's a spear, and it's ritual spear. Is that? Are these are twin blades? Where are the spears? What's a spear look? These are spears. Ritual, tadpole, death ritual spear. I have 2 of them. I have 2 of them. Do I only need to level 1 of them? Grab one. Cool. Okay. Dude. The Death Sorcery bill is coming together, guys. We got all our spells. Okay, strengthen armament. This is so much fun. I love doing this, guys. Okay. Now, I think we have all our spells and all our weapons. Are you planning on going into NG plus 10 tonight? That is my goal. I mean, that's why I'm here, man. I play Elden Ring after dark. Oh, there's still a staff. Wait. I didn't buy enough 9s, I don't think. I forgot there was 1 staff. Ooh, we got free loot here, guys. Stormhawk Axe. That's a pretty good one, huh, guys? Nefeli uses that. Purchase. I think I need a 9, guys. 0. Okay, and then I think I need... Let me see. 8, I have 0. Oh, wait. 9, I'm going to need 2. No, I leveled 1 up. Oh, wait. No, those aren't sombers. The stabs aren't sombers, man. I'm going to go just whack on the staff until I run out of stuff, and then I'll run and buy the rest. Are we sacrificing this millennia, or do you want to run it with... Well, Drew is on. Oh, I could try... Well, these spells aren't going to do good against her, though, huh?
Smithing.
But my lightning was doing okay. Yeah, it was, actually. Oh, wait. Sorry. Let's get to smithing. We got to get the other Death Prince's staff, folks. Last boss for lightning build. Right. You know, if you guys want to do Millennium, man, we could do it. The thing is, I'd rather do yours. Well, yours is done, right? But Drew's is not. I was going to attempt to solo her on mine now, thinking of starting a Death Knight again, the same vein as Charlie's build. Okay, yeah, man. If you want to solo her, dude, you can solo her, man. But I would rather do yours, guys' than mine, because I don't want to leave yours undone, and I don't care about doing my Millennium that much. I just don't care. Did I pass the stabs, folks, while I was talking? Nope. Here we go. Okay, now we're probably gonna like need 3s or something. Strength and armament. Oh, I had plenty of things. I was worried. I need 7s. Okay, it says I need 4 7s, so I got to get 10 7s, right? Because you need 12 of each. Yeah, I have 2 staffs. Dude, I'll totally go do yours, man. I'm tempted to switch to my Death Knight now. Bleed doesn't seem to do much anyway. Smithing stone 4, 5, 6, 7. And I need, I said, 10. Because I need 4 and 6, right? What? I have... Oh, no. 10. And then I need... I have tons of 8s, guys. And that's all I got. I have... Is that the end of your smithing stones? Yeah, it was. Complete the run. I felt like the bleed was doing well. If you landed it... I'll put my freaking lightning stuff back on and keep knocking her butt down. We had phase 1 looking pretty good, guys. Phase 1 was looking pretty good. Smithing stone 8. I didn't buy enough? I need 3 more 8s, man. What the WTF, bro? I've been here waiting Alley Tree Roots since y'all beat the bird, says Trey. Boy. Well, I guess I could go do that now. I just want to get this thing leveled up. I want this sucker ready to roll. Perch A's. I said I need more 8s. 3, and I need 6. Yeah, just buy the 6. You know why? And okay, and I can't buy any 9s. So this should be the leveled up, the last weapon leveled. Anyone know how Xbox Game Bar works? I can't freaking get the capture record video to work when I got the new comp. Stream Rock comes on as we level our last weapon, guys. Dude, I've never leveled so many weapons for a build, guys. Never. I got 20 ancient dragon stones. I freaking love that, guys. Dude, I think everything's level 25, guys. Everything is level 25. Well, the steeples are plus 10, and all the other stuff is 25. This one, I think I put this on so I don't die. Let me memorize. Oh yeah, I'm gonna mix a physic, memorize a spell, and then I'll be right to Millennia. Memorize spell. Whoa. Q. Remove. Here I want... Come on. Where you at? I think this is all I used on her. That was working. Should I, like, look at another one of those same colored spells? Like, Pike's Dragon Bolt bolsters right hand armament. Oh, with. I probably don't need to, man. I don't need to. This is what I was using last time that we were. I feel like we're doing pretty good, guys. Oh, Physic. Just for the drip, Godslayer seems the most fitting. Doesn't affect the buff, of course, right? Yeah. It was Mixed Wonderful Physic, and I'm gonna boost lightning attacks, and I'm gonna put a bubble on it. The bubble saves one hit of healing from her. I like that. Okay, coming to, what is it? Cross the Roots or something? Halligtree Roots or something? Looks like it. You were doing stand. Yeah. If I charge it and I'm close. If I charge it and I'm close, I knock her butt down, dude. It's pretty crazy. I'm gonna summon near the steps as usual, as per usual. I mean, I'm gonna let you summon me. My sign's down by the steps, Drew. And the fact is, what we can do is, if this gets done relatively easy, I wouldn't mind knocking mine out. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, if it's 12 attempts, I don't want to play a Millennia all night, guys. You know what I'm saying? I want to get to that death build. I'm excited now, man. We did all the work. Hey, I had to go kill Radon. So if we knock this sucker out, I'm totally down with knocking mine out. If we got to beat our heads against the wall, I'm ready to beat my head against the wall for Drew's Millennia. But then I'll be done. Put it down again, Trey. Says Drew. This is fun, guys. We got the A-team right here. Folks, when I say the A-team, everyone who can who takes part here is A-team. Cat is A-team. Wolf is A-team. They've all got their strengths, guys. Everyone's got their strengths. I guess he couldn't see it. I saw it at the last second. Ah, okay, cool. Dude, this is freaking so much fun. The Millennia team. And then we're gonna do the death sorcery. We're gonna go kill stuff, guys. I don't like a lot of spells, but now, see, I only have 2 spells right now. But now that I've got it bound to my and you're golden vowing, Trey, right? Trey is doing. Oh no, I'm golden vowing and you're doing the heal thing or something, right? I am ready. Okay. The Rune Arc, man. He is so ready. Did knock her down, but I made her mad. We're in the water. Oh no! Knocked her on her butt, guys. She wants me. I gotta watch. Oh no! I shouldn't have done that. I'm a little close to her. What the hell was that noise? It sounded like a gunshot in game. Uh-oh. Trey got deleted. Trey has been deleted. If you want to reset it, Drew, it's all on you, brother. I am down. I'm cool. Oh, man. Bring her to the water. It'd be great. I feel like this isn't doing so much damage. It's like the knockdowns are the only fun part of it. She got closer. I can't see. There was delay right there. Is it lagging? She's looking at me. Why isn't Drew attacking? Oh, he was probably buffing us. Backed him up against the wall, folks. Come to the water. I haven't been hit yet, guys. Oh no! That was a mistake. Dude, he shut her down in the middle of the foul, guys. He shut her down in the middle of the foul. No Starlight Shards up. Dang it. I didn't run fast enough, man. I saw it after it was already happening. I didn't see it start to happen. You can solo if you want to. I know you got the rune arc. Oh, he just went down. Yeah, y'all were blasting her. She still targeted you. Yeah, man. It happened. I got kind of lucky a couple of times when I felt like she wasn't focused on maybe on anybody, right? And I mean, she's always focused on somebody. I just felt like I was too close to her, and I like her like back to me. Just because she's like, I don't want to like, if she's looking at you and I'm right here, I don't want to like attack her like this. I want to like be behind her. You know what I'm saying? A little safer, folks. Buffing sequence shall commence. Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. We're warming up, guys. We're getting back into the groove. Phase 2 without Trey, you know, that was good. I mean, Trey was there for the whole first half of it. More than the first half of it. Buffing. Where's the freak Starlight Shards? Did I get buffed? I don't think I golden vowed, guys. I don't think I golden vowed you. That was naughty. I like the water, guys. Dude, she's doing waterfowl standing in one spot. It's just a little laggy. Knocked her in her butt, folks. Oh, she got Drew, so we're done. Okay. Let me do the gold vow. Okay, I thought you were doing some kind of a heal thing, Drew. I'm sorry. I will let you do the gold vow, 1000%. Dirty finger. Didn't work that time, says Drew. That's okay. Yeah. No, that's cool, man. That's cool, Trey. Thank you. You're very kind. It's very kind of you to do the gold vow for the team. Sorry, my dirty finger has to go all the way at the end of the hall, costing valuable run time. I can do golden bounces. I have way more FP flasks. Nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, I'm a caster, but I just pull up some Starlight Shards, too. I like my freaking health pots, man. In this fight, though, if you're using 10 health pots or 8 or whatever, however many I have, you're not doing so good. Thought I was already in. So Trey's buffing Golden Vow, guys. I don't have to do anything. All right. Second verse. Here we go, guys. Just putting a poopy on. I love when you can't even see her. There's so much crap going on. You just know, like, well, she was in front of me a second ago. Eat that, Melinda. Still on. Wow. Don't get near me, man. I don't know who should attack her, bro. No! What did I do that for? Oh, thank you, guys. You guys are the best. She trapped him against a wall, folks. He never had a chance. I'm afraid she's going to look at me a waterfowl. Didn't get the knockdown. Should have got closer. Got the knockdown. Shouldn't have done that either. That was greedy, guys. 2 knockdowns, though. It's all you, buddy. Good luck. I gotta not get too close because she'll finish on me. Dude. Dude, I thought that was gonna be a waterfowl. I didn't know. Get on your butt! Oh, I thought that was going to do it. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. Wow. Okay. I wish I should have... I probably could have... Wish I could have golden bowed Drew. Got her down, guys. No, that was dumb. That was so dumb. Sorry, I think that was my bubble. Good job, dude. I golden vowed him, guys. So he could freaking, oh my god. Run. Dude, that sucked. She's trying to delete me. She's trying to delete me. She's trying to delete me! Thank you, buddy. Sorry, man. Popping off. I'm trying, dude. I'm trying. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, I healed her up way too much. But you know what? You got this. You might even have 10 seconds left on your golden vow. Yeah. Sorry, Drew. It's bad timing on my part. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring. After dark, folks, we're doing Drew's Millennium. Right now. Yeah. They are. We have not gotten owned. We just gotta all three get into phase 2 and freaking do some damn. You know what I mean? Our guy almost beat her, dive bombed me. Because this is phase 2, even if I don't make it. Yeah, that's true. I want you there for the end, though, Trey. We need you, brother. We need you. That's why we're not getting it done, because we don't have you. It's called a trio for a reason. Art is racing. Oh, man, you really almost had her, huh, Drew? I felt like I healed her way too much. Yeah, I'll worry about surviving more and being less greedy. Yeah, I'm having fun kind of getting the knockdowns and stuff, you know. Yeah, just never attack her. Never attack her if she's looking at you. Right? You do that, right, Trey? I'm sure you do. I haven't got fouled yet, guys. You guys have both got fouled. I don't want to get fouled, guys. I ain't saying I want to get fouled. Don't stand by me. She can hit me when she's whacking on you. So now she likes me. Oh, man. She waterfouled on him, like, in place or something? On your butt. She didn't go on her butt, guys. Why not? Clear my man. Oh, no! That was a mistake! Woo! That was a mistake, guys. I'm not supposed to attack her when she's looking at me. She won't get knocked on her butt 2 times in a row, huh? Look at my mana, guys. Starlight shards for the win. She makes those quick moves. She impressed. Good luck, he's kind of in the corner. See, I don't know who she's looking. Oh my god. Dude, the warp was insane. I try to value, brother. I don't know if it worked. Dude, what is she doing? The lag is crazy, guys. I'm afraid to drink. Okay, he's moving up. She's moving on. Like, I thought she was doing the same poopy. Don't get too close to the foul, brother. I'm talking to myself. No! I'm gonna get hit. Son of a... So sorry, dude. Gotta help more, guys. I'm not doing much damage. Good job. Where's he? He's over there. Try to go on down, guys. Oh god, here it comes. That's a good move. We got this, man. Dude! I can't believe we did it, man.
Hey!
I can't believe we did it, guys. Nice. Sorry, Trey. Dude. Oh, man. Dude, that was freaking... Dude, I know I got at least one gold buff on, gold vow off on you, man. But I tried to get a couple off on you. You know what I mean? I'm like, that was high octane. Yeah. Let's go ahead and try mine so Trey can get a little more action. I feel bad that Trey didn't get that much Millennia action, guys. Now I'm the one that's got... guys, I got to tell you, though, man. I got hit phase 2. I don't think I got hit phase 1. I don't think I got hit a bunch of phase 1s. But it's because you... Believe me not getting hit is because Trey is playing aggressive. Making it easy. I literally know that to be a fact. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just kind of running around. When she's not looking at me, I'm whacking her. And it's working. That was freaking fun. I'm going to rune arc too, guys. Trey loosened the lid, as I call it. Yeah, you can gold vow now, Charlie, since you have the most FP flasks. Freaking love it, Trey. I put down the dirty finger. I hear them coming in, folks. All right, guys. Another Millennia. That was crazy, man. We had a freaking two-man that freaking whole freaking phase, bro. And I have to play a little smarter because when I die, it's game over. We're getting this one done. You're so relieved. Good for you, Drew. That was fun, dude. That was really fun to watch, man. You can watch back on the... you get the replay, too. But you were there. Get over here and get buffed. Guys, sorry. I ain't doing a cutscene. There we go. trying to circle her close to you guys. There we go. I knew I wouldn't get a second knockdown, but you know what? Big damn. Knockdown? She freaking fouled him, guys. She fouled him on his blood scenario. You and me, Trey. You and me, Trey. Nice. On your butt. On your butt. Nope, too close. Still looking at him? Nope. I knew she was coming to me. No! Good job, dude. She didn't heal that much. On your butt. I like to say on your butt when I knock her on her butt. On your butt. Let's trap her in that same thing, man. Why don't you just keep doing that? We had her in it twice. There's 3. Okay, do your ranged, and then I'll freaking knock her on her butt. Well, she moved. On the butt. But good, you had good range, man. You had good range. Roll back to me, baby. Yeah. I'm probably not gonna do this with these spells. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do it with those spells by myself. There's no way. I feel bad when I'm holding up the stream. Yeah, right. No way, Drew. You're not holding up the stream. You're not holding up the stream, brother. We're gaming, man. We're gaming, guys. Have fun. Although, you know what? I probably, because this is mine, guys. I got like two more attempts at me, then I'm gonna go do my death right build, guys. That's what I'm thinking, because I want to give Trey some time. I feel like I dodged it right, but she got me on the last burst. Yeah, I feel like it's you know, it's a little bit untruthful sometimes with the lag and stuff, right, guys? Or no? Maybe not. There's no way I'm gonna freaking beat Millennia with by myself with that glaive spell. There's no way. I mean, I don't know what spells I would beat her with this build. This build is a big hitbox, stand still build. You know what I mean? It's a cheese build, folks. Radon, Fire Giant, pretty much any dragon. Okay, going in, guys. Dang it, I wanted to knock her on her butt. Run! Trey focused right there, baby. Trey focused up, man. Oh, that knocked her down? Someone else knocked her down. Right on her. I think she broke my bubble, guys. In the water, knocks her on her butt, guys, I think more. Dude, I love that. See, now I think I'm not so sure she knows. Probably not me. She grabbed me! Oh my god, the heal's gonna be gnarly. I'm not gonna die, though. I'm Runard. Sorry. Oh, God. That was a naughty, dude, what she just did to you, bro. So I knocked her on her butt to make her pay for it. Run for your lives. I turned the wrong way. That was a good one. On her butt. Oh no, why would I do it twice? Dude, that is freaking operator error. I'm so sorry. I brought her back up, guys. That is so bad. I hit her twice, guys. She tricked you, bro. She hit me. I keep healing her. Trey, we got this. Trey, you gotta stay alive, brother. I know I do, but you do too. We got nothing without you. I'm nothing without you, brother. Not with this spell. Not in this fight. I went a little quick on that and I shouldn't have. Oh no. Don't get too close. Why'd you look at me? I'm gonna try. Yeah. That was so close, man. This is the attempt right here, guys. Guys, I screwed up twice there, man. I screwed up twice there. Yeah. Trey was killing it, man. I screwed up twice there, guys, and I feel bad about it, man. I mean, like, literally attacked her twice when I didn't need to. You know what I'm saying? I gotta slow down. This is it, guys. This is my last attempt. Then I'm going to do my Death Sorceries build. I'm going to NG plus 10. Journey 11, guys. We're going to do Journey freaking 11. It's going to be absolutely magical. I just leveled up 2 steeples, or whatever they're called, 2 Death Prince's staves, and 1 Death Ritual poker or something. From 0 all the way to the top for this build, and we got all 5 death spells, man. It's gonna be freaking hilarious. Okay. My horn attack didn't seem to be knocking her in phase 2. Let the poopies get to him. Didn't knock her down. I'm picking up runes like I haven't died 50 times. Knock her down. Oh, but I opened up a spot for my boys. I haven't had a waterfowl yet, guys. Careful she doesn't go 50-50 on the freaking waterfowl. Good job, by the way. lost my bubble, but I lost my bubble. See, if I would have cast right there, it would have been a huge mistake. Whenever I see her go for waterfowl, I freaking jump up, guys. I start running, man. How did I not hit her on that? How did I knock her down? Maybe she came out of the air or something. Dude, great phase one. Great phase one by both of you guys. That was sick. When she does that clone move, I hit dodge like a metronome. Yeah. Oh, really? I just run. Should I be running and dodging too, like rolling away? Here we go, guys. I didn't know she covered that much ground. Come on, we were doing so good. Now I have to do this. Why? Did she look at me, guys? I guess I got you closer. I'm going to say I got you closer. Nope, I screwed up again. Son of a gun. If we don't get this, it's all my fault, guys. All right, man, that's my fault. It's my fault she's still at this. Come on, Trey, you and me, baby. Burn all your cooldowns. If you come to me, I'll go value, bro. You should run to me every time. This might be it. I don't know when I might get it off. Oh, she healed. I freaking ran the wrong way. I freaking had that. I had that, guys. Oh my god. You guys want to go again? I'll do one more try after that because that was too close. If you guys are down, I'm down, man. Yeah, if you guys are down, I'm down. But if Drew's got to go, we could do it another time. Or I'll do it with my Reduvia daggers later or something. Yeah. The problem is, I mean, I guess I could cast that faster, right? Like, because I'm charging it, right? So I guess I could go like this. It's really not... I thought I was charging it. I'm all about going again. Yeah. That was just entirely. It would be a crime not to do that again. It'd be a crime not to do that again. I just feel like I'm not doing enough. Damn, man. I'm getting some knockdowns. I'm doing some damage. You have the Death Spirit equipped. You should use the Dragon Crag. Oh, I have to freaking respec too, right? You have the Death Spirit equipped. You should use the Dragon Crag Spirit. Could probably be quick, good last hit. The Death Spear. Oh, I see what you're saying. You mean like, I see what you're saying. Yeah, yeah, don't forget I have that thing equipped. The Crag Blade, right. Yeah, because there's a little bit of immunity there. Got you. Okay, I'm gonna rest one more time. And guys, I have to pee so bad. I'm like a little kid. I'm like a little kid who's gonna pee at the Xbox, guys. I'm gonna put the finger down. I'll even hit the Tonker tongue for you guys, but I have to pee. I just have to. It's like you can't wait 2 seconds. I can't. Oh well, I should have summoned you guys first. Okay, let me get you guys in. Hey, sorry. Okay, guys, I have to go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna hide right here, guys. Don't let me die. You got invaded, I guess. I got him while he was turned on Trey. Sorry, Trey. Thanks for... You guys kept me alive, though. That was freaking awesome. They kept me alive, folks. You should have brought him down. I know you're trying to keep me up. But you could have brought him down here, and then you could have fought him on stream. You still got the reward. Nice. The band reunion. You absolutely love it, folks. Truth, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? I have to put... No, I don't. I can't put that down again. Looking. Yeah, well, they had 2 guys to fight. And then he had 2 guys to fight, and he was fighting them, obviously. And then I came in with the unbuffed land sexist glaive, kind of close too. Just he was low. It was easy. All right, I'm gonna get in the freaking groove. if we get invaded, I'm going in. I'm zoning in, guys, because I don't want to burn a freaking rune arc on a freaking invader. Oh, it almost did. It just barely hit her. That one hit her. I'm gonna get hit. Lay down. No! Nice knockdown. Oh, I don't know if she's on me yet, though. Okay, that range is probably not gonna hit. Well, it might have touched her. Lay down. Too far. Does he even touch her? My first waterfowl tonight, guys. Dude, she switched! She switched! You gotta be ready for that, Trey! I've been ready for it every time. On my bubble. You were not safe. You're never safe. She got too close to me. Whoa. She hit me 3 times. I didn't think it was going to be that close. Yeah. All right, guys. Guys, I'm sorry to call it, but I want to try and stay on the theme of the stream. Now, I need to respect this guy, Trey. He has plenty of talent points. What is this build? It's intellect? Sorry, guys, but I'm good with the millennia. I'm going to go see my pumpkin-loving girlfriend, Ranalalalala, at the academy. Thank you guys, though, man. And dude, we got trays, and that's all I care about, man. That's all I care about. I wanted to get trays. We got trays. That was freaking fun. Strength int. Okay. So. Let's talk to Renata.
Be not
Before we do this.
More of fear.
Before we do this, I'm going to put on my weapons, guys. Equipment Oreo. I'm going to remove that. Remove that. Remove that. We're done with that, guys. Now, I'm not going to be able to carry all this stuff. So, what should I equip first? Am I going to be going either the steeples, open the door and see all the peoples? Let's equip everything before the respec so we can look at... That's exactly right. That's what I'm doing, Trey. But, okay, 2 of these first. Cool, cool. That's what we'll do. Open the door and see all the steeples. And let me be sure. Oop. Okay, we got 2 of those steeples. And you said a seal. A seal for good measure, right? For like Golden Vow or something. And which seal did you say would be the best one to do? Doesn't matter. It's just for buffing. But which one would be the most in theme? You mean I'm going to carry all 4 weapons? I'm going to carry all 4 weapons and not have to like and not have to... I don't want to have to be jarring up and stuff, man. I mean... let me find my staffs. Let me find my staffs. I passed them. I passed them. It should be in alphabetical order. There's one. Equipment Oreo. This is not going to be too heavy, huh? Golden Order scales with int 2. Okay, cool. There we go. Equipment Oreo. Let's get down here to the seals. They're down low. It's a horrible seal, guys. I'm not even trying to do the seal really good right now. Golden Order. Do we have we got the Golden Order seal. Cool. There we go. Okay, so now Equipment Oreo listing scales with strength and dex. This scales with faith index. So we're going to need strength, faith, and dex. That's D. Oh, and some int too. Int and faith are A on this on the staff. Are you sure the staff is going to work good? Because we have a lot of points, but I don't know if we got that many points. Cooking lab, folks, is Sanji. Cool. Ritual spear in right hand, in seal in left. I can carry this much equipment? Ritual. Did I pass? Were those the spears? Looking. Ritual spear. Ritual. Pike's War Spear. We could just use it. That's a spear. Yeah, that's ritual spear. Man, I thought it would make me too heavy. That build is a ton of int. We have enough points by a lot. Okay. Spear is strength and dex and int. Wow. This is strength, faith, and int. And this is strength, dex, and int. Okay, so we need strength, dex, int, and faith. So, let us talk to Renala.
Now, is it thy wish?
80 int, 80 strength, 56 endurance. Okay, let's see. Rebirth? Yes.
Now, bear this sweeting into life anew.
But what about faith? What about faith? I see 80 int, strength, 80 strength, 55 endurance, 60 mind, 60 vig. But what about faith? We're not going to put any faith? One of those things scales with faith. 25 faith for gold vow. Okay.
Alarmed.
Okay.
I would birth thee.
Steps, scales, A,
Thou
and faith.
art thou now assured?
That's
of thy
important.
worth
That's what I'm saying.
to be born.
Yeah.
anew?
So I'm glad we have it all. Yeah, A int and A faith. As a matter of fact, those are the only two A's in the build. So maybe we should be specking for these first because maybe we'll get the most scaling out of them. 80 faith dex isn't important. Okay. Well, the ritual spear has B dex scaling, and the steeples have E dex scaling. But because that's a lot of weapons, man. I'm two-handing swords plus I get this spear. I mean, we might still use it. Look at the spear real quick. Yeah, it wants them all. It wants them all. 80 faith in int, right? Do you want to look at any more of these anymore before I go to start respecking? Because that's what I keep coming out because I want to be sure. We have a ton of points, man. 60 vig, You know this is NG plus 10, right? I don't know, man. 60 big, 60 mind, 55 endurance, 80 strength, 80 int, 80 faith, and see where we are. The big, you guys know me, man. The big is the thing I'm worried about. That sounds pretty good right there, and see where we are. See where we are for Dex.
Art thou now assured of thy want?
I mean, I know I'm casting.
Born anew.
We'll see. Yeah, but there's no point in having the spear if we're not going to put any points in the Dex, right? Okay, we'll do those first. Rebirth, yes.
Now, bear this sweeting into
Yep, we'll start there.
anew.
Okay, let's go. Okay, 60 Vig. And I understand I'm a caster, man. I mean, I'm going to be doing a lot of casting, right? And so 60 Vig, 60 Mind. Oh yeah, I guess I was just saying I'm a caster, right? They don't want a little bit of freaking little mind. 55 endurance. Is 55 like the cutoff? 55 endurance. Strength, we said 80, right? Yeah, we're going to have more points, guys. Strength 80. Int 80. And 80 faith as well. Okay. Briefed in 9. We have about 100 left. 92 or something. We got like 92 left. So we can maybe bring our Dex up, right? To like 60. And that lets me get my 80 Vig. And then we have, there's so many points. Hey, it's NG plus. It's not gonna be easy. 80 int, 80 faith, 80 Vig. Right. 80 int. Yep. And 80 strength. Yeah. Now there's no point in going higher on the endurance. Just go ahead and pop the Dex up. 80 Dex. And then is 55 like kind of a hard cap for endurance or something? Because I mean, the more I play, the more I start digging my endurance. Now after 55 endurance it's a real waste. Just stick it in mind, huh? Just stick it in mind. 67. Okay. How about 65 mind and 2 points in arcane so we have all round numbers? Just look at the numbers. This is purely aesthetic. Purely aesthetic. You guys cool with this? 2 points in arcane? We're pouring some points out for our homies, guys. 2 points to the arcane homies. Will that give us a little bit more discovery? 2 points. I feel this right here. And look at it. It's all round numbers. Or roundish. 80 Vig. Now guys, my strength is not going to be 69 anymore. That's going to suck. Oh, no, but we have that on the other character. Vig 80, Mind 65, Endurance 55, Strength 80, Dex 80, Intelligence 80, Faith 80, Arcane 10. That's a heck of a build, Joe. Yeah, what do you think? How you doing, brother? We got 2 staffs, man. I had to, because that other one, that other staff you told me where it was, that was on another character. And this character had to go kill Radon. Had to go kill the twin gargoyles to get to the staff, but I did that today. So we got 2 staffs. They're all maxed out, man. We got the steeples maxed out. We got a ritual spear maxed out. Guys, I feel good about this. This is great. Confirm. Undergo rebirth. Bam. Okay. We just burnt the larval tier. Now, question. Let's talk about trinkets, guys. Let's talk about trinkets. Talk to me. What am I going there for? Talk to me about trinkets. It's probably not going to be a great shield. It's not going. We're not doing a bunch of incants, right? Yeah, let's do talismans right now, guys. Talk to me about talismans. Godfrey, Icon, Alexander's. Okay, I just took that off, and that's fine because I wanted to start with a fresh slate, folks. Alexander's good. We have the good Alexander's. Shard of Alexander, right? Godfrey, Icon, Alexander's, right? What are we looking here? What are we looking at? Slot number 3, folks, guys. We're gonna kill stuff right now. This is the final touches on the death sorcery build, man. Death sorceries build, guys. We got all the weapons maxed. We just did the killer spec with round numbers too. We even put 2 points in arcane for no reason. Magic Scorpion Charm. Oh yeah, man. I'm glad you guys let me get my 80 Vig. Magic Scorpion Charm. Bam. And the Claw Talisman. Claw Talisman for jumping, but am I literally going to be meleeing? Is this a melee build too? Is that the point of this? One that increases cast time. The Dispel Sorcery one. I love that one. I don't know if people is that something that people use on their hardcore builds? I think you'll be doing jump attacks with these swords. I'd like to see 2 sorcery talismans, like equipment, spells and skills. I haven't used this one in forever, man. The spell casting time is pretty sweet. I mean, more spells, more damn. If we're going to avoid jump attacks, then we can do sorcery talismans. I'm not worried about the jump attacks, I think, right now. We can always switch, too. I mean, nothing is etched in stone, right, guys? So when you say a sorcery talisman, you're talking about this one, short and spell casting time. But I was already increasing them with Magic, Scorpion, Charm, and Godfrey, right? All the spells are using charge, right? Well, the spell casting time, all spells are using charge, no spells casting time, all damage. Yeah, I think that's the move. So what's the move? The jump attack? Drew? Graven Mass Talisman. Graven Mass. I forget where that one is. Graven Mass. I forget what it looks like. Do I not have one? Do we have to go grab one, guys? Cerebri's Wowo for sure. No, it's up top, huh? Graven Matt. Graven. Did you see it? No jump attacks and you'll change your armor choices. Graven Mass Talisman. Okay. Where the hell is the Graven Mass Talisman? Oh, it's probably gonna be over here. I swear I remember going to get it. It's over here. No. Oh, Graven Mass Talisman. Duh. Got it. Got that. I know, I had it. I just couldn't find it. Looks like jump attacks are back on the menu, boys. Hey, Trey. that doesn't mean that we can't do that. I'm gonna give it a little run. You know what I'm saying? If I feel like I'm casting too much, if I want to do a little bit of melee scenario, the 4 that we have now are Godfrey Icon, Shard of Alexander, Magic Scorpion Charm, and Graven Mass Talisman. If we find bonking is the move, definitely. Yeah, absolutely. We have to change the drip too. Why? I don't look great as a death sorcerer. What are we looking for, folks? Talk to me about the helmet. Talk to me about a helmet, Trey. Knight's cavalry armor with skeleton helmet. That sounds great. Let's give it a shot. Skeleton helmet. Who says I have one? I'm guessing it looks like a skeleton. Skeleton helmet. Do I not own one? Do we need to go pick? Do we need to acquire? Oh, Royal Remains helm, you mean? Says no jump attacks. Taylor Boy says so close. Sanji says drip. Is it the Royal Remains helm? Or is there one called the skeleton helmet? Because there's a skeleton right here. Okay, cool. We got the head, folks. Equipment Oreo. Knights. Cav. Equipment Oreo. Right there. No. Where the hell's the knight? Right here. Inventorio. Equipmentorio. The pantalones. Knight's cap. He looks pretty cool. The head does pop. The head pops. I don't know, man. What do you guys think? He does have a black thing on top of his head, too, that kind of really draws the room together. It really ties the room together. You know what I'm saying? I would do my NG10 with a very similar build. And Drip says Drew. Nice, nice. Winston Hall says Ghost Rider. Now, that looks good to me. No jumping. Memorize spell. We'll build Frost together. Yeah, man. Come up with any tips, let me know. Memorize spell. What gold vow we're gonna keep? Remove. Okay, first spell. Which first spell is... Wait, how come I only have 4 here? I thought there's supposed to be 5. Oh, Fia's missed this in here somewhere else. That's going to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so what order are we talking about here? My other option for armor was going to be raptor feathers with skeletal mask with a black hood. Got you. What's like a pulling spell? What do you pull with here? Summons horde of vengeful spirits. Causes ghost from explosion. It burns a wide area. Fia's missed. I missed a poopy. You only want Ancient Death, Rancor, Explosive Ghost Limit, and Tibia's summons. In that order. Ancient Death, Rancor. Oh, Terra Magica. Slot 1, Terra Magica. Okay, let's see if we even... do we even own Terra Magica? Dude, I don't think I have it. Wait, where's Terra Magica? Magic Fortification. Exploding Ghost Flame is your nuke. Did anyone see Terra Magica, guys? Lucidity. I don't see Terra Magica. We might have to go get it, guys. Wait. It would be up here. Starlight. I don't see it. Where do you get Terra Magica? Where does one acquire Terra Magica? Drew, you saw it. You see it on the first page? This is the first page. It's right there. I just don't know what it looks like. It is right there. Oh, man, I moused this one, Starlight, and they look the same. Okay. There we go. Now, is there like a walking around spell? Which one would be like your walking around-ish spell? It's the only one I skipped. Yeah, because it looked like the other one. I thought there was doubled or something. That's the way my brain works. I'm like, they're the same. I don't know. My bad, guys. Thank you guys for finding it. Ancient Death Rancor is walking around spell. Ancient Death Rancor. Good. And then after that... Whoa. Then Explosive Ghost Flame. And then it was one more. Oh, yeah. Tibia Summons. Right? Tibia Summons, you said. Okay. Tibia Summons. Here we go. Okay. Boy, we got some stuff going on here, folks. Now... This is going to be crazy. We should put Flame Restraint on, though, for your mail, right? Yeah, the thing is, I will, but I'll tell you, man, I'm probably, I don't know that how much I'm going to be switching back and forth, man. Fees Miss is good, too. You know what? I'm going to see what I like with this, and I'm probably going to gravitate more toward one or the other. If I start gravitating toward the swords, maybe I will take a sorcery talisman off and go back to the jump. I might go back and add more of those spells. As a matter of fact, Fia's Mist and which one? Yeah, Fia's Mist and the Rancor Call. I might end up trying those too. Right. It's good to work on more complex builds though. Yeah. You know what? Let's just freaking put them all on right now. Look at this, guys. It's locked because I didn't freaking kill Estelle. Because I can scroll through them pretty fast now. Way better than I used to be able to. And we got the slots. So let's goof around with them. You know what I'm saying? Rancor Call. And here he is missed. Oh, but you wanted you know what? I'll put I'm not going to reset all these for Flame Grant Me Strength. I'll put Fia's Mist on there too. I'll throw a Flame Grant Me Strength on there, but like I said, there's so many spells. I guess I can like get better at what? Casting, and then when they get close to me, melee until I can get some room. I want you to try a combo when you test some stuff, Charlie. Okay, cool. Rancor Call and Ancient Rancor Call are the same spell, but Ancient is stronger. Oh, really? Okay, Rancor is a waste of a slot, 100%. Okay, well then I'll take that off. Remove. Right. Okay, and now if I put Flame Grant Restraint at the end of this, then I can simply just buff real easy like that, and it'll be at the end of the line. You know what I'm saying? When I'm buffing, I'll just come to Flame Grant Me Strength, buff, Golem. Now I'm back at the beginning. So it doesn't bother me having it surrounded like that. Okay, I want to try some of these spells out. Now, should we go to the NG Plus, or should we, like, there's stuff I haven't done. Well, millennia, but I'm not going to deal with that. Fierce champs. That's a freaking nightmare. All right, millennia time. Yeah. Bring up me strength is only if you're switching to melee instead of spells. Right. Yeah. Now the question is, do I let's go, guys. We're moving forward. I'm gonna go to NG plus this guy, man. I think we've done the hard work, guys. We have 0 runes. Character looks good. I think the spells are looking good. Guys, begin journey 11, NG plus 10. So your spear weapon is another spell for range attacks. Very cool, Ash. Okay. Well, you know what? If I just don't know. I'll tell you one thing, like, running around, like, just walking around and stuff. Yeah, the melee weapons I'll probably use, but I don't know. I haven't even seen the ashes yet, so we're gonna check some of this stuff. I'm beginning journey 11, folks. Begin journey 11, NG plus 10, and I believe it's chargeable. Cool. If you begin journey 11, you will not be able to return to the present world of journey 10. Begin journey number 11. Very good range too. Cool. Going, guys. We have done it. Guys. We really did it now. Lightning build is no longer.
The fallen leaves.
Fallen leaves tell a story, guys. A story I'm not ready to listen to right now. There we go. Okay. How come there's no finger? Okay. And I'm going to have to freaking... oh, this is going to be on 2. Okay. I'm going to just buff Flame Grant Me Strength because I have it, but I don't think I'm going to freaking be meleeing, but we'll see. And then I'm going to Terra Magica and try and nuke a fool. Am I going to take the time to put down Terra Magica? I mean, I should be able to kill this guy with new spells. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. We'll see, right? See that move? I tried to dodge. They miss all the time. Oh, they actually hit him, huh? He just missed for you, pooper. Just freaking oiled him up, folks. Ooh, they nailed him there. Would it be as miss for you? Guys, I'm just kind of running through the spells. Slap's pretty good. Very close range, though. Yeah. Gonna want to, on that explosive, I'm gonna want to get up on him. Yeah, but like, what good is that as a caster? I mean, with the lightning build, I was able to do it, but I would need to use summons. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know if I want just... I don't know. I'm not sure. Hey, we got runes, guys. We got 16,000 runes. The thing about Fierce Mist is it only works on enemies that can be death blighted. And some can't. So how am I supposed to know which one can be death blighted? It's the same idea as the lightning nuke. Okay. Yeah, because with the lightning nuke, I pretty much need the summons for that. You know what I'm saying? So, but leaves fire on the floor and they keep burning. Okay, we'll try it. We'll try one. You want to try one? I could. We could try the tree sentinel. I could summon and then like freaking try and nuke him. See if he melts. Should we wait? Should we wait for Margit? Margit's gonna jump around a little bit. But if we can get it off. You know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Don't worry, Torrent.
I don't know, guys.
Fortune is on his side.
Okay, Torrent lady. Thank you, Torrent lady. Okay. And then, you know what? Let's freaking try meleeing the horse guy, even though I don't have my jump stuff. Only small enemies can be death blighted. No bosses I can think of. Sophia's Mist doesn't work on bosses, is what you're saying? Maybe Gideon? Sophia's Mist doesn't work on bosses, is what you're saying. It's only good for, like, running around? PvP, maybe? We'll see what the 80 strength does, guys. 80 strength, 80 dex, right? Playing Remy strength, that's why I didn't suggest red. They like it for running around. Ah, okay, I see. Yeah. I don't know if Fia's miss for running around, like, just trash mobs and stuff. PvP, yeah. We can be death blighted. Right. Hey there, buddy. You want to be rude to me and my friends? Yeah, I'm maidenless. Yeah, well, you're freaking weird looking, bro. Be nice. Yeah, man. We got to talk her. Okay. I'm just going to see how these things slap, guys. Oh, we didn't mix a physic, did we, guys? Or did we? We didn't mix physic. That answered my questions from earlier. Thanks, guys. Oh, were you asking that, Sanji? I mean, physics. Is there? There's a magic. There's a magic increased magic thing, right? Is there or no? Yeah, boost magic attacks. Magic and stance break. Love it. Stance breaks over here. Alright. But now that I got that going, I'm gonna freaking run up and freaking take this guy with my swords. So I'll still drink for the stance break. I just want to try and melee this guy. See what the strength in the dex feels like. Ooh, we're definitely going to be buffing. Nope. There we go. Dang it. Yeah, we'll try that on Margit. I want to see if I can kill this fool. I hate that part so bad. And I'll be like, oh yeah, he's getting slapped. Okay. I know we'd have more damn. Wow. Dude, that was a deletion. A deletion. Oh, God. He keeps getting me! He's just eating all my health pots, guys. Well, that's even more damn than I was expecting. Yeah, you know what? That was more damn than I was expecting too, Trey. Oh, you could buff the swords with their ash too. Oh my God! That is freaking awesome! Yeah, and it's like you were saying you can buff them both. This seems to last way longer. This seems to last way longer than Royal Knight's Resolve. Yeah, you can buff with both hammers, but with both hammers in practice, I found for me it really wasn't worth it. But look how long this is lasting, guys. You know what I'm saying? Makes me want to go freaking melee Mario with these. And adds more damage and frost. Build up. See, like, let me see. If I go here, go like this. Let's see. Nope, I screwed up. Okay, so I gotta go two. I gotta go like this. I gotta go here. Oh, wait. I go here. Here. Not caps lock here. And I gotta go two. Damn it. Two. Damn it. Two. It's a lot of weapons, man. And then I gotta go like this. Oh, wait. That's my left hand. So I think then I go one. And then I just do this one. Yeah. Charlie, put the spear in your main hand, staff in left, cast 2 death ranklers, then use your staff ash. How long does this thing last? I want to kill this dude. It's like spear in your main hand, staff in your left, cast 2 death ranklers, and use your staff ash. Okay. I got the spear in my main hand. So let's go, spear. Staff in the left. Cast 2 Death Rancors. Ancient Death Rancor or Death Rancor? We have Ancient. That's the ash you're looking for, right? Easiest way to get this dual buff going is 2-hand left sword. Use ash. Go back to dual wield. That's exactly what I just figured out, Trey. Yeah, that's what I just figured out. But thank you, because that's what I just did. I was like, okay, this is how I do it. Okay, so here we go. 2 rankers. Is that like a, oh, is that like a nuke? Is that like a nuke because I can cast these and they go slow? So I can like kind of get close to something and go like this. And then this. Timing. Yeah, it looks like a melt. Dude. That's crazy. Oh, and I can charge the ash. Wait, I can charge the spells? Yeah, Ancient Death Rancor staggers big time, too. So, if I were to go like this, I can charge this. Yeah, wow. Ooh, that would have been fun to try on freaking Tree Sentinel, man. That would have been fun to try on Tree Sentinel. That looks like a pretty fun little combo, too. Have you done that yet, Drew? You just saw it in a freaking book. You saw it in a video. Guys, I need my kookaries. Don't laugh. This is a crazy awesome build. I'm still trying to figure it out, man. Definitely going to need more mana pots, guys. We're going to have to... Well, we already have our horse. But I'm going to have to, definitely... She's going to talk to me, guys. She's going to try and talk to me. Skipping. Eating.
They serve at you. I can
Every day
returning
before
to
I
aid
plan
you
on doing
to
it.
the
When you
foot
build
of
now, this
then
build's going to
summon
melt
me.
the whole game.
Torrent has treat him with...
Who's like a resistant to magic? Look, is Loretta or something stupid? Loretta's not even a real boss, right? What was I going to do? Physics, flasks, allocate. 10 and 4, guys. I'm going to walk around with 10 freaking health pots. You guys want to go 7 and 7? 8 and 6 and see if we run out. It's a complex build with a decent amount of switching, but that's good for getting better at that. It is, man. It is. And if I'm overwhelmed with it, because there are a lot of spells. Oh, I know what I want to do. I want to fuse a mist. Take that off. Memorize spell. Remove that. Yeah, I mean, I'm just kind of using these other ones for fun. You know what I mean? Get poked, buddy. See, he's not strong enough to really tell, but that's a great pull. That's a great pull. You know what I'm saying? Get pooped on, buddy. Get pooped on. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool for some AoE too. You know what I mean? In co-op, your flasks get cut in half, so you want to have an even number. Ah. Yeah. Well, yeah. Or maybe when I'm planning on co-oping. But when I'm just going to play, I'm going to want to maximize my usage. You know what I'm saying? So, you guys want to just go kill Margaret? You guys been here, man. You guys hung out. You guys hung. And do we summon and get the cheese off on Margaret? Or B, try the Rancors, the Ash, and try and we're casting, so we're gonna be like having to make range and stuff. Margaret is gonna be a joke with which spells though, because she hits hard, bro. This is engine freaking 10, man. I say charge Rancors with the Ash. Well, am I gonna have time? On the first pull, I might not. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing this in case I want to get goofy, guys. I don't mind freaking I don't think I leveled the Ash my whole last playthrough, but you know what? I like getting that. So if I want to be like, someone's all, have you tried this Ash? I'm like, oh my god. Stupid dog. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. How it's going to be convenient for that. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, lady. I'll tell the jellyfish you love them.
Tell them I let them fine again.
Okay, gotcha. I don't need to sleep. Make sure you charge them. Okay, let me see something. Do I have to shift? I don't feel like that did anything different than that. So how do you charge them? You're saying something about summoning Trey and I for Margit. I missed it. There's no point, Drew. There's no point. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to make a playthrough where we just walk in and kill Margit, I just think there's no point. Tap it and hold it. You'll notice it. Let me see. Tap. Let me try the tap. Ah, it does an extra flick and a swish. You know? Yeah, but I'll summon you right here to show me your drip. On stream. I want to see your drip, bro. Come on. I'll put it down. Come on, show me your drip. I want to see the drip. It's just, there's no point in all three of us going into Margit. It's like, what's the point of this build? You know what I mean? It works. I'm closer to there. Cool, cool, cool. Ah, Leviosa. Wait, is it close? Don't see him yet, folks. We're going to check out Drew's drip, folks. Guys, check this out. Now, I've had this YouTube channel for a while, right? But never worked on it like I have now. I did a little bit about a year ago. Maybe 10%. Got like 10% of the results. But I just got a little freaking notification thing that said I got 75,000 views on the channel. And then when I went and looked at it, and it's like at 82 or something. At 82. I'm gonna get 100. I'm gonna have 100,000 views on my channel, guys. It's like, to me that's crazy because it's YouTube, and I'm just kind of getting started here, right? It's not like that impressive, but the thing is, it's cool. It's freaking cool. And I'm like, ooh, 750,000 views. I'm gonna, no, 75,000. Yeah, I'm gonna hit 100K. I'm gonna hit 100K. Sign us down. Cool, cool. Okay, guys, Drew is coming in, and we are going to check this out. We're going to check out his drip, see how it compares to the finely crafted recommendations.
Hey! Hey!
Dude, I'm digging that shield. Where does that shield come from? Where does that shield come from? Where does one acquire that? The spike shield. Dude, that looks like it hurts. Pretty nice, Drew. I would like to see a picture of it with the... Ooh. Oh, he's got that same spell, guys. He's got explosive ghost flame, too. That would be some serious meltage, man. That explosive ghost flame, we got that from the Deathrite bird, huh? We got that from the ghost bird. The Deathrite bird. Okay, Drew. Well, I love you, brother. But I gotta move forward. We got to go kill Margit, man, because people been invested. We got to go see what's going to happen with this Margit kill. Looking good, dude. I love that shield. Yeah, the Skyflaw is cool. Thanks, dude. Way past your bedtime. Yeah, I know. That's cool, Drew. That's cool. If we kill Margit, you would only be 20 seconds past your bedtime. Now, if we were beating our head against Millennia all night, then that might keep you up. Whoa. You never had a chance, folks. I just hate running into this Grace and then having them come around the corner on me. It's a little bit annoying, right? So should I try the charged Rancors? I think that's what we said, right? The charged Rancors in the Ash as an opener. Should I summon to keep it still? Or on initial pull will I get these off? I don't think I will. Not too charged, right? So go about Terra Magica, charge Rancor in the Ash. Yeah, but... So then do I summon? Yeah, the initial pull would be too quick. So go in, and then if I die... And this Golden Vow... I'm gonna grab me strength for fun. I'm gonna run and see what happens here. I get the weapon. It didn't work, but I still get this off anyway, just for fun. Caught. Come on. A lot of junk in there. They're not all hitting at the same time, but I get the idea.
Well, thou art of passing skill. Warrior blood must truly run in thy veins. Tarnished.
Alright. I'm digging it. It feels good. It's a lot of spells. But I did a melee, a hybrid there too. Just to show you guys that I could actually do it.
Smoldering with the sheer flame. Coward.
It was melting without the setup. Right. And I was like, I charged the first one, didn't charge the second one. No Terra Magica. But it's Margit. It's Margit. You know what I'm saying? I mean, does anyone ever come into Margit on an NG Plus and like have a hard time? Little smother. Then 30 minutes. Samurai said it. A little smoother. Yeah, right, Joe. A little bit, huh? Yeah, it would be completely cheese. It would be completely cheese. Wait, did I grab that Grace? I think I did. I guess there's a way to check, right? Yeah. Imagine the damage with the full buff. Yeah, the thing is, I'll tell you, Terra Magica, man. I had Terra Magica on some of my builds, and it's like sometimes it works. So, in other words, sometimes you get to stand in there and cast some spells and get some huge Terra Magica damage. And it really was a huge difference. Like, I think there was one of the playthroughs of Twin Gargoyles. It made a huge... I just saw like, oh my god. I think that's the first time I realized I A and B'd the damage. Because maybe I had a few bad pulls and I was having a hard time getting them down. I Terra Magic and I saw their freaking health melt. I'm like, what?
Truly does guide.
Yeah, 30%. Yeah.
Whether you are fit to face the challenge that entails.
Okay.
Seems my torrent.
Okay,
whereas
okay,
I'm
okay.
curious,
Yeah,
but
yep,
I
yep,
can
yep.
take
I already have a horse. I already have a horse. Should I just go to round table now just to get this over with, right? Yeah, we should get this over with, guys. Round table. We're gonna port right back and kill Godfrey. And I know what I said. God-free. It's Godric. Okay, don't need to be here. Back to the gate. The gate. The gate. I always wish I was a good Terra Magica user, but I always have to run away from a Joe, thank you. That's what I'm saying. No, believe me, Trey does too. Everyone does. But it's like sometimes you can dodge and then like step back in. You know what I'm saying? That's why my Comet Azure build was so good, because I had all the magic buffs I could stack. Right, that's the point. The point is cheesy.
Come on. It's tight. The guard you breached. Yeah, your type. The guard you'll slip.
I'll use the main
Of
game.
course, I understand. When
We're gonna come back and kill that guy. I'm gonna full buff and kill that fool. The gate.
Open the gate.
Alright, guys, we're gonna buff for a boss right now. I'm not gonna be able to target him. If I just go this way. Good night, Drew. Millennia was epic, even though I was dead. Oh, Drew, man, says, okay, awesome, guys. Gotta go. Thanks for helping me beat Millennia in epic fashion. That was awesome. Looking forward to the next run. You're going to crush it. This is fun, dude. Thank you, man. Thank you for the help, dude. Thank you for the help. Yeah, see, I don't think I can nuke this guy without, he's not gonna need it. Let me see if I just come right here, because they're really big, right?
what's it to you? Get back, you wretched tarnished.
They didn't do as much damage as I thought they would. Dude, this guy's freaking rough, bro. And the hybrid build, guys. You have to know how to switch the weapons. You have to be really good and fast. You have to have extensive knowledge of the game, folks. Knowledge of the game. Why am I looting this? At some point, I'm gonna have to stop looting freaking looting like runes like that in NG. This is NG10, guys. Okay. Just do it from right on him, huh? Yeah, that would have been a good move. Just trying to remember the pre-roll. That wasn't it. Okay, that wasn't it. Oh, no. I'm going to rest. I mean, you can't really see those arrows coming and dodge them, can you? Don't they come just too fast? Lion? Unbuffed lion? We'll run past and come back and kill a lion. The explosive one, not the Rancor call, was my suggestion. Right. No, I hear what you're saying. Kind of have to have ultra instant. Yeah, you can't. Yeah, I was wondering, do you guys actually like look at it and see them and go, oh, I see it, and then dodge? It's kind of like a timing thing, right? That's why the first one kind of matters, right? Okay. Can I sneak by the dog? Nope. You're an annoying dog. So I guess this doesn't matter. I could just freaking... I could probably cheese him with the Rancors through the freaking door. Flame grant me strength because we can. Oh, wait. Olden Vow. I would have had him. I would have had him. I would have had him. If I would have had my, if I would have had it, that would have got him. Okay. Well, I'm trying to target you. I'm trying to kill you with the freaking right tools, as agreed upon. There we go. Okay, that was not a hybrid. Although I used the ash from a freaking, I used the ash from the, yeah, so that thing is kind of cool to have in the right hand, man. I'm starting to think staff in this thing, that combo is pretty freaking nice, guys. Right? Now, what bosses are going to be hard with this build? And I should probably gold out before I, before we run, folks. Wish me luck. Watching. That was early. Wow, a lot of damn there. Why'd I have to loot that, guys? Did I get it? Those are tricky to stand in front of the fire, guys. I already know what those are. They're just trying to trick me standing in front of the fire, guys. I just want the loot, guys. I'm just here for loot. That doesn't wake the dog up, though. Ooh. Okay, wait. The dog's not coming, right? And the other big boy, they're not coming. Okay, good. All right. Now we're going to take this. If something resists your magic and frost, you can just melee them. Right. Melee. If something is too aggressive for your melee, you can range them with the spells. Right. Got you. Now, some things I'll probably want to try. As a matter of fact, I mean, yeah. If I ever want to switch to jump attacks, if I'm ever like, I want to melee this. I want to melee this. I could throw some feathers on in a jump attack if I wanted to. Right? Are the birds going to be targetable? I'm trying range, guys, because I don't know. Wow. Okay, I thought I didn't know. I wasn't sure I was gonna kill him. We're gonna make it over the Amigos malarkey. They will. Dude, just that reason right there makes me love this build. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Cloud Talisman and Raptor Feathers is good to keep. Yeah, right.
Be proud.
The thing is,
Fine warrior.
I can just summon like a Tish or something if I want to try and cheese Godric. I could try and just summon a Tish and then hit everything we got. Right? We could try right here. Okay. Oh, wait. Come on. Target him. I didn't have my freaking, Wait. I should not have allowed that. Yeah, the charge. I'm feeling the charge. I'm feeling the charge. Dude, his sisters didn't even come with him? What the hell is their problem? Oh, they won't commit. They won't run into it. Oh, you mean they're not like suicidal or anything? That kind of sucks. Will it melt in PvP? Didn't that guy shoot some of these at me earlier? I thought they were going to be a lot trackier and last a lot longer than they did. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad you're loving the build, man. It's a lot of switching. Yeah, it will. And you know what? What I'll probably do, I might pare it down. Because like I said at the beginning, with the spells, I'm like, let's just put them all on, man. Let's just put them all on. I want to see what this build can do when you will be ready to fight something. Well, we just fought Margit, and it freaking melted her pretty good. I'm not going to be able to get Terra Magica off, man. We're going to do the Rancor. We're going to do Gold Vow, Flask, and Rancor. And then maybe oh, wait, I don't need both. Oh, but when I have both staves equipped, you see, I get a buff. Someone said I wouldn't get the buff, and you said I would, right, Trey? Is that kind of like this setup right here? Holding both staves doubles your buff from them. Well, then I got to just do that, man. And that really cool poker ash. Maybe that'll be like a walking around spell or something. You know what I'm saying? A walking around weapon. Because like these, I don't really like for a walking around weapon. Because of the slowness of them. You know what I'm saying? I wish they're more like just a like the crag, whatever it's called, ice crag. That's like our glintstone. That's, you know, if I got a walking around spell, that's what I like. I could put one on, but I don't want to. You could throw the rankers, then switch to the spear and use the ash. Yeah, I could. Does that buff count for when you cast a spell or when a spell hits them? I'm curious about that. Like, for instance, Golden Vow. I have a Golden Vow, let's say. I cast a spell, the Rankers. They are going at him. My Golden Vow goes away. When you cast, I believe. But is that not the same with Golden Vow? Curious about that. Let's get buffed up. I'm grabbing me strength because I got plenty of mana. Oh, I should drink this first. Uh-oh. Golden Vow. Two. And we're going to go in there and Rancor him to death. Oh, God. I had time. I had time for Terra Magica. That was a little bit of damn. That was a little bit of damn, huh? Look at that. Drew would have loved that. Okay. I was just meleeing this fool not long ago. I knew he was going to throw this at me. Because I was so far away. He's hiding. If you cast your spell and then Golden Vow, I don't think the Golden Vow is applied. So you think it's like on casting, whether it's worn out or not. Interesting. Oh, I could maybe run in and hit the nuke. Right? All right, guys.
Of all that
The hybrid build. The hybrid build is born.
one day
That was pretty fun little fight.
our home, bathed in rays of gold.
That was a pretty fun little fight. It's the Death Sorcerer build, folks. Yeah, man. The Death Sorcerer build. That was pretty nice, huh? Pro hybrid building. Joe. You know I'm being sarcastic. I love it. I like switch my weapons and run up and do a jump attack. I don't even have jump stuff on, and just because he's one shot in anything. This build is nuts powerful. This is carnage, man. Yeah. I can't wait to see something like Placidux. You know what I'm saying? To move forward, guys. What's next? Yeah, Renala. Renala's going to be okay, man. She's going to be casting at me too, right? Phase 1, maybe I'll do the burner thing on the floor. Because she's laying on the floor. She ain't moving. Her hitbox is big enough, right? Run around with, and then maybe... Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. Did I grab the grace, guys? I don't even know. I don't even care. I did. I did. That was freaking... This is freaking fun build, man. It's a... I'm still in Permazula on my run, so I can help with regular capital. When you get to Permazula, maybe we can run both of ours. Yeah, or, you know, Trey, the thing is, sometimes with some of these builds, it's already so powerful, it's like... I want to, like, solo Malekith with this. You know what I'm saying? So I've got to figure out the best way to do that, man. I got to figure out the best way to do... Ooh, we got to take care of this guy. We got to give this guy some freaking money. Dude, 10 runes, guys. Guys, from now on, give this guy 10 runes. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. Like, leaving Malekith alive for a while. Oh, yeah. So you can... ooh. No, but we have all this stuff. I don't need that book, guys. I just realized. Evan, maybe you can... solo bosses and explore card for invasions. Yeah, maybe so. Absolutely. Yeah, or if you ever want me to help you with something, I could help you with something with this. I would love to. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm pretty... There's no loot right there? How come there's no loot right there? See, people, when they get so far into so many NG pluses, they don't even they don't even grab these graces. Because there's no need. I have everything that guy has. I have everything you know what I mean? There's just no... It's like I'm probably never going to need to be in this spot again in my life, in my career in this game. Yeah, exploring for Azula, learning invasions would be fun in my world. Yeah, that would be fun. That sounds like a freaking move sometimes, too. You can solo your bosses, help me with mine. Yeah. And you know what? If I get to some bosses, I might want some help. But I'm just thinking the Millennials are pretty cool because it's freaking tough. It's freaking tough. But so many of those bosses, like even just Renala, I think it was last time. Like, it's so hard even to get a hit off. It's like we go in, and Renala goes, dead. Renala's dead. It's like, okay, it was like that was fun. It's like, it is fun. It is fun to run around and cheese stuff. Wait, the Dex tier's over here, guys. But isn't there a Grace over here? Someone saw me. I felt like there was a Grace over here, but maybe not. Why did I feel like there was a Grace over here? These guys all want me, folks. Yeah, that Ghost Flame is crazy, man. I remember when the Deathrite Bird was casting it. See, now I'm kind of running the way I was just to the Dex here from what I remember. Should I be going to Carrion Manor? This build is going to be really good for Millennia. Really? Man. Well, you know what? If it is, then what we could have done was I could have just respect and put all the weapons together and did an NG plus and gone back and tried Millennia. That would have been a move. But I don't really. I'm not. I don't feel that bad that I didn't get my Millennia. You know what I mean? Ooh. What's this one called? Should I be like getting the Haligtree medallion? I brought it for NG plus. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was ready to move forward. I was ready to move forward because it's like it was just a lot of Millennia. Yeah. I wanted to move. I wanted to change. Should be looking. I never know where the hell the freaking right here. Nope. Where the hell is it? Oh, it's up here, I think. Yeah, it's up here, right, guys? It's further north. Yeah. Will melter when you get there next time. Yeah, absolutely, man. That could be quick. That could be quick. It could be a matter of I mean, I don't know. It just depends on how fast I want to tear through the game. I wonder how this is going to do on. Is this right? No, the poopy water's back there, man. Unless there's poopy water over here, and there's not. Yeah, so no, I passed the Albironics. I got a Grace near there, though, so I'll worry about that. If Captain's around, sure, we'll melt her when we get there next time. Yeah. I'll tell you, this character looks killer. I like his weapons. I like the melee weapons are smacking. They're smacking. I feel okay about them. Oh, and this is a flame? So is this going to melt this guy? Oh, I see. Okay, well, let's go here. Wait. Let's vow up. Yeah, number 2. Rancor. Oh, no, wait. See, if you can get the range exact, then you can, well, I want it, oh, because of this, I didn't charge him. I didn't. Too far away. He's slapping hard though. You know why? Because he knows. He knows I got to poop. That didn't last very long there, but. Hey! Hybrid builds are always the best, guys. You want spells and melee. You gotta be really good at switching between the two. You feeling it? I haven't seen her around since she said she was going to sleep. Oh, okay. Well, that was pretty easy and relatively cheesy. Felt good. It was fun. I could have probably just meleeed him. Would have been probably a hell of a lot more of a challenge. But that's what... You know what, Trey? I'll tell you this, too. I love the way that we made some reasonable melee weapons. Because... And we got Poise Break, too. Because... And these weapons are so cool. With that buff. So this is just going to be fun. Because certain times, I'm just going to be like, I just want to melee this thing. You know what I mean? It's going to be cool. Streamrock comes in at the opportune time. We didn't get any good graces. We're running so far north. And we didn't get any good graces toward near the Capitolio. And this is just, oh yeah, 4 French fries. But when we come back around town, we can get to... What's that castle called? Manor. Carry Manor. This would be a great build for the DLC too. Yeah, well, I have it, man. I have it ready. I don't know if you want a freaking level 451 character for the DLC or not. I don't know how that freaking works, man. Probably make a new character for the DLC, I think. You know what I mean? This would be good to like... No, I don't know. I just don't... I don't even know. See, I've really never... I've never lived through a From Software expansion. You know what I'm saying? So I love the way those swords look. So I don't know what to expect. You know? I gotta tell you something. That freaking tree is annoying. All these trees are annoying. The way they glow so much whenever you're trying to look in the sky. Did you see my last comment? Before the DLC one. Let me see. Doesn't get much better than that. Oh, this is probably one, if not of the most well-rounded OP build we've made. Not cheesiest per se, but good for every situation. Yeah, Trey. That's really what I love about this build. That's what I freaking really love about it, man. It's freaking cool. It's cool. Oh, man. Carry a Manor, guys. Loretta goes down. Loretta goes down, and we have not summoned yet, but we have to go up 4 French Fries Hill, folks. That's the name of this hill. It's called the 4 French Fries. And I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. I'm more thirsty than anything. I'm licking my lips, man. It's freaking driving me nuts. Here's the thing, man. I got the not exclusive. I got the Chillers real life meetup in 12 days. And whoa. Going the wrong way. And if I make pasta for dinner, like at 1 in the morning, I'm gonna go to sleep and gain like 4 pounds. Sleeping after eating is so crazy. I kind of want to go back to melee. I need a golden bow. Well, gonna have to freaking deal with that. Yep, and I'm gonna have to freaking maybe okay. Roaring. Dude, I get hit like every... She's gonna put me out. Never... Whoever kills these things. Those things slapped me. Wow. I don't... Tell me those stay dead. Not that it matters. I mean... They're just so annoying. According to the game director, it won't matter if you're level 90 or 500. DLC will have a way of equalizing our damage. So the higher levels will just have complete builds, but not cheese the DLC. I get that, but... So it'll magically scale perfectly? Do you know what I'm saying? I don't believe it, in other words. You're saying it'll magically scale perfectly? Like... Because the bosses have... In NG Plus have more like HP, right? And don't they do more damage or something? All the way to NG Plus 7, right? Dude. When you start at NG... It's just easy mode. You know what I mean? That's how I feel. Oh wait, I can go to the bottom of the hill because I got the grace. The 4 French fries. It's making me hungry now, guys. Oh, Schlotzsky's was so good. I got a large. No, a medium. I don't know if they even make larges at Schlotzsky's anymore. Does anyone know? I think NG Plus will make it more difficult for sure. Yeah, but I feel like it will. They'll scale the base game up for NG Pluses, I'm sure, like they're saying. But in this game, NG Plus, you just kind of walk into Market and destroy, right? It's like, it's supposed to be harder. And they make it harder, but they don't allow for the fact that you've got all this killer gear and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Not just higher level. I mean, I wonder what the lowest level NG Plus is. Like, I wonder if anyone has something that's like NG Plus 20 that's like level 15. You know what I'm saying? In Sekiro, the more bosses you killed, the more damage you dealt. There was a tracker that increased your damage by a percentage for every boss. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. I think DLC will have the same. I agree, bills will for sure matter. Not necessarily the level. Because the level does matter some, but like I said, it doesn't. NG pluses are to me way easier than. But the first time you played through a game too, though, and this was my first Souls game. So I don't know. I just know I'm going to go talk to Fiji. And then I am going to run a Carrier Manor. Rip through there. Oh, I don't think I can jump that way. Let's just go. Let's just... I don't have to talk to Fiji. I have to get the grace up. It's like we find some new weapon we want to try. I want to go get like a Death's Poker or something because it has the word death in it. No, it's a Forget so I'm going to get on. Haven't been on fix. Yeah, Caleb, man. The first time we play the DLC, it'll be hard. If not anything else, but we don't know what we are facing. That dude, it's gonna be fun. This is my first Souls game, guys. So, I mean, I've explored worlds. You know, I played World of Warcraft and went from... had whole new continents added and stuff, and it was really freaking cool, right? Whoa. How did that not hit me? Did they give me grace because I was close? But it's gonna be fun running around a new world, man. I hope it's gonna feel the same, right? It's gonna be the same exact game, just with more stuff in it, right? Oh, guys, I forgot about fire. Fire and hands, folks. Fire and hands. Boats and hoes. Fire and hands. There he is. That's the guy I was looking for. There's two of them. There's two of them. Okay, I got grabbed. Am I dead? No way! I'd like to see his health bar, please. Before I put in my ticket to the developers. We'll have to figure out how to beat everything and get around. Yeah, that's how it will feel. Yeah, it's going to be freaking great. It's going to be exactly the same game, just like a new area. I really probably didn't need to do that, but I did want to kind of whack on those fools. I wanted to whack them all a hand. Why do those big hands come so fast? Because I hit the little hand? Caleb, I will get on and run your world with you. Oh, Trey, you're good. You're a good Souls player, a good friend, Trey. Caleb needs his fix, man. Caleb needs his fix. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, I play Elden Ring After Dark. Guys, I got a gig Friday. I got a gig Friday. You know what that means? It means I can't stream Friday night. Sucks, bro. Sucks to be me. I mean, okay, I'm gonna go make money. I'm gonna go get on stage at a bar while people are partying, having a good old time. I'm gonna stand on stage and I'm gonna freaking rock. I'm gonna rock the house, bro. And then they're gonna pay me money when I'm done. Rough life, huh? Yeah, yeah. Just imagine, like, if you went to the bar, like to a club or something, you know, and there's girls and there's people and it's fun, and then you get up on the stage and you're on the stage and people are like looking at you and stuff. You're like, doing cool things on the guitar. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's just freaking crazy. My life is a little bit cray. Whoa. Ooh, I dodged it. Oh, man, I rolled right into that one. So it's going to be freaking fun Friday, but still, it's a night off of streaming. We were trying to co-op with Kat for my Halleck tree, but she hasn't gotten back in. I'm going to save it to do it with her. Yeah. Sometimes that's not a bad thing. We do that a lot. If Drew's not here, I did that with like a Malekith, I think, because we freaking worked our way to Malekith. We did it together, and it's like, I'm just gonna wait. You know, and I could make a new character. I could play Elden Ring. I freaking love. This build is fun, guys. If you want to see this build, guys, this build is the Death Sorcerer build. The equipment, I have 2 Hellfin Steeples plus 10. I have 2 Prince of Death Staffs plus 25. We have a Death Ritual Spear plus 10. And we have a Golden Order Seal for buffing. I have the Royal Remains Helm. I have the Royal Remains Helm mask. And the Knight's Cav clothing, guys. Godfrey Icon. Shard of Alexander. Wait, Godfrey Icon. Shard of Alexander. Magic Scorpion Charm. And Grave Mask Talisman. And in my physic, I have Stone Barb Cracked Tear and Magic Shrouding Cracked Tear. And this thing is slapping pretty good. I'm liking the melee feel. I'm liking the melee. Yeah, this thing's slapping pretty good. I'm liking the melee feel. The spells are popping. The spells are slapping. Spells are slapping. And there's cool stuff, too, on that Ritual Spear. Stuff like this, man. Stuff like this. Not that. But that's a really cool thing. These weapons buff themselves, folks, even when you don't want to. This one, guys. Wait. This one. Poopies! It makes Deathrite Bird poopy spikes. Pretty cool. So, yeah. The Death Sorcerer build is looking pretty good. We're having fun with it so far. I love it. I don't mind waiting yet. Have plenty to play on PC, and I can still run Caleb's world with him. Yeah, right. All right, guys, I'm going to take my freaking man bun, and I'm going to call it a freaking night. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for the help, Trey, guys. If you like what you see, throw me a sub. Throw me a like and a share, too, if you would, guys. That all helps. I appreciate that. And there's a ton more content at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Just go there, watch some shorts, watch some Watch some lives, watch some videos. I got content, folks. We got content. Freaking love you guys. And we're only getting more. We're adding more every day. I freaking love you guys. Thank you. Yeah, what a great stream, dude. So much fun. So much fun with Millennia. So much fun building this thing. So much fun trying it out. And I'm gonna get Loretta here at the beginning of next stream. So I freaking love you guys. Thank you and good night.